tonto na setim no ona fa mi pato me fonto de so already to the Paulo Ezekiel Bruno to Paulo people to la persona toya to the left de Paulo to Paulo eso kokopa ona so game against Uruguay ona fa persona setim no another solution to be sakai eso to tonto na setim no and already to no scalon ni put the fortress no ona protest mercy just no matter no and so burita sa just no it was simply about that's what we said about just no esakai anima tonto na setim no me patron no mercy no matter just no we play na so kokosha na o to so masa anima mercy to my na de ma tonto na setim no make my yourself to no eso to tonto na setim no and to stand the quote to no scaloni etime stake sa pia no na ma report no pemeseka patasa brontia ni ti eso ne Angel Martin Korea Martinez to the left Angel Korea me patose kai adama lati come to bobo kono only player me patobe to say Messi number 10 no fa no so to Messi kai adama tonto na set ma bra wo me Uruguay na set na so de penalty me pato Rashford uno Papa Grace mo no fa mo from the tonto na set no training fit no Photo Facebook relation photo TV so aya Sompa TV bi patro ko tiko da so na o reskane bi na Sompa TV so tiko da so ana Facebook relation o ba sa ni patro video so togu aya Sompa 93.1 FM na wo follow na wo share na wo to message ni pa no pai ya ba kankan na so to ba wi to to so entidia tonto na setting training no ana na bi patro bi to Facebook relation ana bi pa so to ba ko enti bi patro we you prepare so bo ya towards the Uruguay team and of the Brazilian team World Cup qualifiers na me atuma me pato aye tesu to womi and so to toto when you want to no pay and so to we to to so and man pato me fanto de Mr. Brontia the feel unless just McAllister as you fanto pe me so come on practice so kaisa aye to 2022 otumi boy ma de atanta na setim no omo promote so to continue World Cup no na so me pato kasa me metima to World Cup de Argentina na o kasa don tema de World Cup ni beso na for no to the star 30 World Cup no o finish Nyankopon ano na ya bronte for the lessons McAllister so o ka World Cup no so no de star ka World Cup na yere so Nyankopon ano na so bronte for the lessons McAllister me pato se kai antimony for promo Robert Montaigne and on the post with about 20 Facebook relation Sompa 93.1 FM now shout out to Master Tripa and on the public kai as what about we to so on the Sompa TV will take on the Sompa TV and on YouTube but now subscribe on what to Master Tripa on the pay you know what to them be passion to pay and we to the so that shooting could so that there's some pa I'm be passion to kai now me patron ready to the Patrice over so a former player at the Manchester United Bobokono, we patch a former player to my first not set him and I see young Cameroon Piante, so be myself 2022 World Cup and to be cross work counter. The Argentina set him in Pomote shoot to be continue or be any mistake and we are seeing that cup and I'm a patron, but if we should do anymore, we want to work up and also the already thing and then Lino Andres Messi Cotilin yo, I'll test him to my Puga Tomika or say I can't buy him Yami Mokono, Daughter of Patrol 2022 Kokosi Academy of the International Team, and World Cup in New Sakai, and the Paris and Timber Mokono, was a World Cup in there, then performing the yacht train, and the World Cup over the World Cup, as we need to already tell them a mercy, and Cassa, you put a French in power, can World Cup on, then to make the message, and then a simple Patrol already thing, and then Patrice of a former player, and the Manchester United Mokono Juventus, and of a first not set to Robert Montaigne, and then a person about to go. Yeah, want to make sure to be here to make so life for Sompa 93.2 from Patrol, Mama Argentina, no state to Mama, the movie to the shoot to the floor, now for young person, so for the Mustafa, the Patrol, you're queen, you're cooking to make a car, and so was pretty much set to the year, 19 round for Mibusasa, sir, already to the Patricia for Vito, the Sayan Redia, Monka Mudia to TV, so Monka Timothy, the voice, Mr. the little concerning World Cup, the Argentina set to know, as you call here, 2022 Wakata. Enti nani kakabi patano pai anaso pa life on Sompa 93.1 FM patano ko Spain ya ko ko tu kaka naso Spain na set na so ya na wutu Spain ma me fanto de stand already tell we tima fuente aso na set manager adi na Spain na set no already can stand be so dia tuja me patano Spain for Obone Holland net woman no musta kai aso de lives bobo kono ana for ready to frankly just musta kai de pastor bobo kono ento na fubu pray aso ewo me participate na seti na so ye na so to place wo bakasa na yen kono fe yen kutiensem ami participate to place wo so de to ja concerning na fufu obo aso no we explain na seti na so ye ani na participate ready to frankly John ani to da se to se owo na fufu be pray e was pray na seti na so ye na so nko na for some wo preach na so wo me ready pastor sanke way ani no be to question to ma hola na seti no the same thing about the three chance Simons aso de to don timi pato yanko na fe yanko hola na seti na so place na so ba o ma so de to da concerning tema en so eto de
deze wedstrijd te spelen. Het is al een tijdje dat ik zin heb om deze wedstrijd te spelen.
Een leuke tegenstander, omdat ik natuurlijk veel jongens ken van het Spaanse nationale team. Ik woon natuurlijk in Spanje. Ja, daar worden wel, zeg maar, daar maak je wel grapjes over en weer. En het is gewoon leuk om tegen de jongens te spelen.
Et way I assume a brontia the thing and it's just the Simons ne a brontia the tele frank the John was still kind of pass a bobo kono esu to ja you want to mama pass to bobo here to the so and ti not tell no me pacho already tell we to la fronte as we national team manager at the must play national team no and was still from to be so come piate say play about kwase se wi ase gina anything that I am brontia for my Yamal and Pama Masloy na papa de protest akoway wo shefty was picking every boss abobo kono so ye no be robo speed na set na so na fe what be bo no for European Championship no the tennis speed for the bobotin na mo to be winning ya was ma ani bebre eso ta pronto the thing and ma me Yamal eso eti no catch up piase e wo see we see na especially Barcelona ne Barca supporters in that I feel the player the thing ma me Yamal all develop ba enti so ba o ye no mo kasa pronto na do e to bu treat to set the players so when ye treat moi o mo ba ni so abranto fe na me Yamal enti so bo no so team no ama fe ni pato pass abobo kono o mo ka bo no fe o mo manage abranto fe na me Yamal na that be ye kan lectures in football ye betu abranto fe na me Yamal tin ye betu ka Sompa abranto fe na me Yamal aba betu a player no papa so ba betu enkoye abranto fe na aso fati delibi we ye so me pato ready thing ani Louis de la Fuente man na so team manager no spray na so team no o no so ya to dem pato yenteno.
Tiempos y lesiones, pues yo creo que veremos un futbolista de esos que también marcan épocas. Tiene 17 años, no nos olvidemos. Está en proceso de formación y le queda todavía mucho que recorrer. Y pasará momentos difíciles, que en esos momentos difíciles es cuando hay que ayudarle. No hacer crítica con él, todo lo contrario, son momentos porque está en ese proceso.
Ya sintuwei ayo already tell we to la frente na senti manager na spray na senti no and some ono so de tuja concern ya pronto for la mi Yamal e Pama Masloy to no for la mi Yamal be patron o sta krema pass bobo ko no ana si on foto pe be so ka bo piate se na mi antuma kima e tuja be to spray na senti no ana fe hono na senti no to de pass sanka way amo be ton papa na e be the finals of the European Championship. What I say, where you summer, the part already deal with the la frente. When all your last sentiment, the most pay last sentiment, what about thing, another person about to jar. You want to shoot to Babusha for life for Sompa, 93.1 for the number Bronte the day, and then for Beirut Pina, as we pay Sakai, Etama, Paris, and Timon, Bokonoman, or Sakai, the most pay last sentiment, or see in front of Pedro, so come on, getting a good resource. As you hold on, and no better Brown, and then Patos pay for the street to mention a BNF. The telephone South Finance way or much more drama for more cocktail. Not the person that my question the participate not set to know and to UEFA Nations League and yet there's somebody cocktail go or more good resource pair or much the person when you know the quay I shoot the most play not set to know your summer the patron ready to know for the rules to Pina or Sakai that about PL to Mobokono Global Montano the person about to draw you want to shoot to Mobosha for no one patron in front of the message the Abante for Regan Goffin Pat as a player or second to Malin for Pubo Kono Abante reporter in the Pemeseka Patasa give it to Gabity Spain I'm not saying hold on a sentiment and yet there's a Abante for Regan Goffin but met to Sakai Adama hold on a sentiment you know Abante Cocopa until shoot to be stay away nothing medical to be sharp Abante the day also Regan Goffin Pastor the beer Nami Antonasa the international break according to my benefit no for what potuma aso tuma ni papo bobo kunto kaka ano no pen na so ba ye what ma so tuma bo ye tuma tele so na na mi atuma Spanish Copa del Rey no the grand finale stadium by ano me patona so tuma toja na stadium perfect for the grand finale of the Spanish Copa del Rey ye from Macatuja na La Catuja stadium no and perfect part of the renovation na sa renovation no we bet ye 70,000 capacity stadium and on profession get and stadium about host Spanish Copa del Rey finals and then some people conteno and the two TV national Sompa television will do code also no risk on MFA the patron Sompa 93.2 FM. Asu o Facebook reso no one promote so to follow no share na we promote to panel pay you make kan asu to we to so na me patro yin fro me ko to make cash of France any question no say team no and the people me patro mo for France no say team no fit no asu en photo Facebook reso training no moye na for the place to make to France no say team no na already tini aya did the shop asu je tuma adamo France no say team na nyasem to kwa no tempa enti me patro me baba line up on opponent also met my party against Christian National and I'm already to the killing in Purple Hotel. I say for so come on the most dangerous player Christian National and you already to look up on church and Master Lukita was one of the best in the history. Now should be patron game no more Cocobono and you're one of the best in the history and you can once more Master Obianya Bay and was so good to be yet to Matanafe and couldn't just to make and the first national team not from the place to make already to look about the top and international game and I'm a patron of the Baby Dacro where you see me patron already thing and so the killing in Purple Hotel to do not for the killing in Papi or say kind to mark them to Mobokonum or Yapuja for the colleague already thing and again look about the back camera and so a bit to my touch you be one to my another person to my way to my so life in the court is super mecata 93.2 from Patron shooting Kudaso that there's something goalkeeper the team Mikey Menon also Bobo to know for Nelson that master team camera at the first national team national reporter on the permit Patterson run national first national team national player the team also Anitio Hernandez was second by SC Global Kurwasha now a brand to the opportunity as went to Messiah former first national team officer now or training support from the team Nina Brandon said I'm not totally fit I'm a patron to master team camera also the first national team and your reporter on the permit you want to show to be patron young coach first of all the more lineup already to the December party against Christian National not any one to another person from a weird to so and not the person that to make a goalkeeper the team and then Mike Menon Peters and Beto Podimo Julius Olivier to Conte Ibrahima Konate William Saliba Lucas Digne already to Macho Quentosi Aurelian Tumani Tani, Ador Rapio, Rantalo Kolumani, Osmani Tempele, else the Kuno Tembus Nafe killing in Purple Hotel, where they line up already to the Sam, but my party against Christian National Timaba, or more proper to us, and your Christian came and National Timatoja, and when you were from Nations League in Montenegro, and open the National Bar, you want to show to my way to Montenegro, get a shooting to the Sunday Bar, I'm the person that Makonami Patrol, Mammy from to the Sam Plantia, the Tinamon Rogers, also. English international second and the English national team and also for to play the come on practice and dem a call preparation the better Brantia the for the Jude Victor William Blinken Belico to the for the Jude Billingham also UEFA Champions League and the national bomb Aston Villa Bobo Kono Wamo and a regiment to Bobo Kono national bomb UEFA Champions League was a game there Massa Nantasa the Patroni Diagoka et to command assessor Aston Villa Bobo Kono Bobo to 3 p.m. to Bobo Kono film number short game one to Bobo Korea and the Messi and then a small bunch of Morgan Rogers on a shop on Tano Pay and so to Matuka now me Patona Cameroon National to the Musiaka Yamra Africa Cameroon National to Musiaka now Omari Swatini Swaziland Canadian Southern Year Formo or Musiaka in a game no Equational Nany Momoya Dent to Cameroon National Team and to know a bunch of Andrew Nana or the part of the Manchester United Bobo Kono me Pato Messi pitch the ball deep inside the pitch no fair afei obeka such a place say me patro no free kick na again no I was so to me direct ball me come my ball no kototem na so nto na ye bia na just dey must to me go through and my Cameroon national team no and no patro coach and the Bryce na ye coach and my Cameroon national team no was it the rules in Kenya Cameroon front man is shorting bobo kudesun kudem no ni ya say a lot of problems or more problems papa and the national team no and that's some talk from the FA ebe running to the pay body no there are some issues are also with task na FA o mutimi to come na for be issues in na and some body free on ya saba me patro the thing and so the Bryce on the Cameroon national team manager we ba thing we don't press the to ja ye want to masu to ba we to to so na no patro ba me front to the say and put the World Cup qualifier na me patro can trust say want to the deeper abako aye Tunisia we say Tunisia for over 5 games in the World Cup qualifiers omo issue bakokra and na say omo consider game omo consider go bakokra me patro omo 5 clean sheets and now aye me patro Tunisia na say to no and in the question to Tunisia na say kitokra omo picture me dia to team Tunisia for the Portugal amanya bre no mo hwede mo sega me atoma wo mo san ebe trust na fe enkunidi so to ko ade ama Tunisia na se team no na me pato me wo Tunisia first start e ko mo awo World Cup qualifiers we mo me pato sen ene esitie ko TV ne so rescanuti quota na me pato Sompa TV no bobo de so to enjoy uramo YouTube ne so Sompa TV no subscribe na fe Sompa 93.1 na fe Facebook ne so na wo fere na wo share to message na ba Tunisia atesta otomi principle tobo kamai ona fe Tunisia se bako Malawi wo mo so ntoma na Tunisia se bako Equatorial Guinea aso ntoma na Tunisia ani Namibia no pato bi ntoma fa ball to no kwatira na fe Tunisia ti Liberia e tobo kama ku tobo 5 games wo mo consider go bako kwa wo mo kwa 13 points ekra ayo 5 clean sheets and ayo me pato Tunisia na state no de fe ba so yen na so de ba ye want to so tobo bo yen tobo so Angola for wo mo ani Libya for the deep ball na Maduro man pato me for to Mr. Libya na set no wo mo mo prepare mo to Angola for no ko duntem and no mo ko to ready to the petrol concaves aga to the say Africa de bana control some part de na say one prepare ye na say time you try ye ko do na fe ye try checkings na fe ye try champion no ko so no sa juma no anya juma keto Africa was checkings nko a na edile Angola na set no ama me patrolment through and then assess me patrolment messy wo mo Stars Nanko also mo ko pitch na so and you some patro ready to the petrol concaves wo ba bonten na no press to the to Elias Pelembe eso e pro sakai adba Mozambique na set no ono so de tenesa and perform the team the final set team na say ne passport on so na de sa pant no eso to be Elias Pelembe eso to be sakai e for Mozambique na set na nteri kaka and no peneso ba ye want man eso to be to so Canada for eso World Cup na bana maso bo go enti mi patro bo na ye tournament for the Canadian Shield na Canadian Shield no o mo invite Ivory Coast national team no na me atuma between 7th June and of 10th of June and a start tournament we pass so enti Ukraine for be part of the tournament na for Cameroon for eso to get so case ni kama am be person that ma konkai N'Golo Kante ni chief Mali na N'Golo Kante ni chief Mali no wakwa kwetina waba was say do baba ware e wo Mali na abrantima baba de so to ware Mali na watofie eso Mali ho na mumyeche just na already didn't N'Golo Kante wode na Mali ho ono na de say good to no show man se pa abrantima to mo show moto ko Mali ho yusu me patrono ne de to TV so no eno ya abrantima for the N'Golo Master Kante apostle share N'Golo Kante no na wo sha atare abrantima se pa na wo je ne moto ho na de na Mali a enya asem ketokra na mo for the man se no video no fanto so man se we N'Golo Kante na to na so wo hena abaka se ni wura no afare so baba do pa aso o man se no what as video no and e da to TV so no e ya Sompa 93.1 FM for no say yes what the hidden picture there and e da to TV so no na some talker and no baba to for ko koji impost baba stano no to man no baba na me catch so impost baba stano betima bro ama ni ma so to ko be boost immune system no ko no be den ama ya rebe to kudi pejori piano wetimi apamo sa ya tene so da fidi pejori mo ama ho so to and impost baba stano ya dibia betania impost herbal mixture pose in to and to no thing and put to my partners and to continue pay what you can kono kope in boost about mixture meaning be never will be nothing in boost for us our code there now we to code the matter the school matter the station and the teacher them pacho who per go when you do to and then peripheral come 0246 28 0246 28 or no baby to no pero or sabaka in boost about mixture for what to no what to brother the brother I show tabani patron tabira bank still fund to the minimum pay say what dorma we romo tabira banka we your bar we your juma any recognized institution our Ghana ha we have the opportunity so bit to Jumusia nothing with the cocoa be juma and that's with the big business be now they are tawu kurachi no crosho etument so be na ede eswe to promotion to oba pelo no and no ekoso eswe tabira bank to oba kono kojo de no for destination bar and for the patron mo ye botoboja what is no big juma ki to the opposite juma no emutra dia for we bank the bank na Cameroon bank so me fan to the so the 10 year oba ateba kombe ya mo no se wo de na be bia cost keke ye mo sika na fa wo de atentu mo na wo twetwe ne kakaka eno aye me patron mo ye botoboja na fa me patron ye de fixed deposit bia ba na ye de no aye special aye awoto super fixed deposit wey me patron ye sa fixed deposit we ena de so take risk bia no matter the bisi bia no ena de se beka sa fixed deposit na fa wo so to me just kwadi loan e wo Cameroon bank double for wo mo bet my partners and Kitoka, Utu Bonwe, Utu Tabin, Etmatin, Additional Roman Hill, Amafe, Utu, Mazis, the Patin, Pomafe from Massa, Amafe, at the Sima, the Bill Piano, or Piasi, Tabin Bank, and no money come out, 0271 40 93 40 0271 40 93 40 Yahoma, the better friend Tabin Bank for them perifor, as some Etmatin, Kobakama, Mabi Piasum, Etmaquest, Tamo, I say no person, what to make car, Konakoji or Din Heba Bitters, Minum be never will be or Din Heba Bitters, draw the patrol Boheba, and a Daba, no Deno, it will be more system, we are doing premature calculation by a ton of the past, who drew pass off for the pump and working to Sokota, or Babeko, but on which Bejumas in Semuqua, and you must work to the Manafe, the patrol precursor powder, we may be anonymous, we catch us the number bit to my question, a book boost to a new system, I'm on patrol, your debut with me, not the Philip General, me patrol what Herbal and Medical Research Center, we much acquire, and I do to Admano, me patrol Koa, Ubeda Wayarasa, Wakumata. Peri after me patrol con amafe we see yoya we beti yoya baba just to the room our boy heba kono koju arasa obosi me fan to the say and diabetes hepatitis hypertension stroke ni no me patrol na ko probe to na no so na we to to ase na for the attention that's what ba na we drew in kwanza yo ojo kwa no so bo ye chakwan we drew in kan wo kaso official town na ene obo Herbal and Medical Research Center in Como 0249 76 1508 0249 76 1508 Homa we bet to for war na for the bomb that's what to bet in Como but for why Baba tin Como no patrol mega cash lucky boss no enemy patrol we are brancher we should no power I was said to be bound to say we come for Kojisika as well mega cash lucky boss and one is so call for so down star 426 star 6 hash no me aswa almost lucky bosses no options ni baba na one cash we to show there make sure say the be 20 Ghana about finish we tabakwa 5 Ghana cedis we bet about 5 billion old Ghana cedis and that's some talk mega cash lucky boss every 1 minute bonus can mu every 1 minute bonus can mu now boss a cash receive that about finish so now we tell how much and that's a good talk say so when this car want to be romantic romantic or sisika asum neba bottom to come mega cash kono goje sika bra and also would done star 426 star 6 hash no me aso na options baba na me patron what your 5 Ghana cedi pair na wa baroma what jessica gu bottom cash receive I love you and that's a good talk container no promoter and I come na me ko fa na so the buy na so good talk me jine pastor apostle Prince what to say
let us yanko pa
also could you obtain her baby tasnibi Baba but what to say
what's the winiska way
what to be romantic winiska better
I love you
now winiska better I love you
Now can't tell
Oh, catch a wine. Or just so call no, do what I want to do. Apostle, Apostle, but I want to say, me just cast an arm, cock with your dinner Bible test because what kind of love you so to be a wojuma? Praise young quay. I thought this was weird thing. What me can't love your boss is anything.
Well, you're going to straight away.
Only 50, 60. Somebody.
Apostle.
50, 60, don't know.
No, I mean, somebody.
Yeah.
I pray that I guessed that. From 53.
Oh, Apostle. How? Oh, Papa President. When you're 90 years, no, that's all.
No, don't buy any.
Oh, Papa President. When you're 90 years, no, that's all.
And the peas are open when you're 90 years.
Oh, I love you. This is weird thing. Oh, I love you. So this is weird thing because I love you. Goes with responsibility. Yeah, go. It's now didn't have baby test. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Prince.
Well, you say and the UEFA Nations League games in WTM Abasona. I never come better really. Arsenal fans now only obi kokona untimi ana ugina na mpo match to bo ba parks.
Arsenal fans almost say.
Much I say to bo ko Real Madrid FU. Wonhwe e on. Say William Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes, and Lewis Kelly, Lewis Kelly. Omuna the three defenders say omu inform for Bobuko from Arsenal. And one who move various national teams who move. Magalhaes kwa kushia Vini and Rodrigo. Arsenal fans are sure see two or more. Say also move Vini and Rodrigo back on them. A foot watch as here banunu.
Oh training.
Oh yeah. Oh training. Say omni omukwa ko di 2 weeks. The 2 weeks.
Dominica almost na move them.
Yes, omunyi ba kun free. All the way sit here. Now call Air France and so. Say William Saliba ne kele ni babu. And so on fan gam ne kakra. Mpacho,
before you continue, you recognize you for the second.
Oh, okay.
Or a blogger. Now on fashion pen yagro.
Yeah.
That be our share programs.
Nice one.
That be our share programs. Second ya that's a part. Let me show yeah.
Oko France and so William Saliba. The Arsenal fans are advising him say so ye killing him up who bibi kakra. Onye no ho adwuma kakra. No was out by England. Lewis Kelly. On some Jude Bellingham. I'm making sure say on man in the fear kakra.
Okay.
Now Arsenal for match in so. Wow, they have time a day. Match as here to go apart. Nipa no nim zone timi nenem ko jitu mpreko na ba bia omo ne na media. Well, it was just by the way. Yenwamu and UEFA Nations League games ebeba so and there are some 4 big games me pesi enwura emu kakra na ehwe ade bi. The first game I'm pesi enwura mu the France against Croatia game na ebeba so no. Look, we all know said the Croatian golden generation no aba form because there was a time at Croatia one of the most informed national team players now Obielin said they would definitely do something, and though they were able to go to the final wabra abrante friend Luka Modric take you to the final but they couldn't win it. No be nim senka ombetimi maintain omo form ne kakra, but as we all know aging is part of a football game. And so a moment for trial that was Abrante friend Marcelo Brozovic, Ivan Rakitic, and then Luka Modric. Right now, no, none of them is in the form of Obetimi Ayebi, Papa Bi Ediaboa, the Croatian national team. And so a moment for Honma, they say Nipa Aka Awombia. Those days, no an integral part. Luka Modric. But can we solely depend on Luka Modric? Or Medford Honmana? Right now, he needs some compliment. And on more compliment, the likes of Kovacic, are they going to be able to complement Abrante if Luka Modric that much? Because those years, and I say years back, not the kind of energy Kuta Luka Modric, and whenever he's in the midfield, he makes sure he dominates the midfield for the team against any opponent. But right now, that kind of dominance thing is because age are catching up. They are coming up against a French national team now. Obiamun is on paper, France national team they beat me winning this game. But there's a certain problem coming to France. Man for adventure down course. Only say France, we all know. Say France, some years back, coming to now, an out and out striker. I'll bet me I can say they solely rely on him because that time Karim Benzema, he was not playing for the French national team. No, Olivier Giroud and another French national team. No, it took a time and Karim Benzema. It's me making a case back in the French national team. Right now he's not there. Olivier Giroud is not there. He for they take over the mantle. our French national team, the attacking position and I said the striking position. No, so where time na Olivier Giroud no, he's a player na obien himself. He knew say he was just a decoy in the French national team, serving as a purpose and as an attacking pinpointer. No, so the other players na attack afanaho, which is Antoine Griezmann and then Kylian Mbappé. And to tell me, Olivier Giroud, he will make sure he occupy the opponent defense. On the ball, no shadow movie. You have the entire 90 minutes, baby. Maybe a 15 crown and then can be. Born never ban hon maybe or the intinu or cambona tomb, tapping no or the tomb. But always occupying the defense. Say be or munt min PM. I'm talking about the center backs now. Now Ama Abrant Kylian Mbappé and then Antoine Griezmann, they'll get that free room to operate. No met me for home as she goes near the Ama France. But right now, there is no Olivier Giroud, and also Karim Benzema is no more there. You must say, why the Ebesha one my Jumano, Edama the French national team? That comes in the big question here. Players now is your more French national team. The likelihood of players are almost starting this particular games against Croatia. No, Kylian Mbappé on the left. Abranti Efeno, Ousmane Dembele in the form now, and there's no way you can bench him. On the right, you get Michael Olise as the number 10 right behind Abranti, your friend Wanda Kolomwani, because no sort of form of offer, Edema Juventus, though things are not going well for Juventus.
Monitoring from France training grounds, no.
Okay.
It looks as if Michael Olise will sit
on the bench.
Oh, okay. It's going to be Dembele, Kylian Mbappé, and Kolomwani on the attack. And in the midfield, Adrien Rabiot.
Adrien Rabiot and Chouameni.
Yeah.
Together with.
Okay, let me
because
check.
If so Omo Olise quad, then it means that he will need to bring someone who will complement the midfield tray. You get what I'm saying here. And Adeba also a better joke. If Olise and She game Nasia, then French on one attack no a better individual brilliance in one be depending on no. Because Kylian Mbappé time and not all shine of French national team.
Okay, this Mathieu Guendouzi, Tchouameni, and Adrien Rabiot in the midfield.
Okay. That's good because Guendouzi in Swap a very good form. Or in the club side, that's very good. But so Washa, a moment for and that's a more attacking try, you know. Sebe Dembele, Kolomwani, and then Kylian Mbappé. How are they going to be able to coordinate? Because we've seen from Kylian Mbappé time our shining baby, you know, always other players work at the man. He's not the one or be work at the colleagues. Other players work at the man. Just like you who Olivier Giroud saw be say Jumano, Edema Abrantia, your friend Kylian Mbappé. And at the Paris Saint-Germain team, the same thing. And na players no air the man. But right now, no. So Ousmane Dembele, but Ousmane Dembele is a player on his own. Play as a team player. And I say, when you're one of those team players, maybe the last time I was explaining here, Paris Saint-Germain, made a very good run. But those people thinking so many more no, together. No, it is never true. The game is being played through Ousmane Dembele. That's a fact. The game is being played through him. And the same thing Nana Obe expect of France because we know Ousmane Dembele say Ojibona he believes in his talent. Always Obe tries to be take opponent on by himself. On the way so Kwana watching and Obe pass and I say do every coach me ball no dey after him. And Sana Kylian Mbappé so tie Ronaldo Kolomwani we've seen him so on so Sana on so tie. Into your call Paris Saint-Germain he couldn't comprehend the time with Kylian Mbappé because Mbappé pesa wo Kolomwani ni adwuma mame but wo nya adwuma no amna be ya fade then we cannot stay together. Two captains cannot stay in one ship. Until you see no mommy and say kwakobo anim honom how are they going to comprehend each other? That's going to be a problem. Though I still believe France will win this game, but that kind of telepathy and can be expected from individually three players from our form. Juventus team Nimkoye, Beranda Kolomwani single-handedly who's gamer or non-kwane something exceptional. Ousmane Dembele an exceptional player in the Paris Saint-Germain team, and then also Kylian Mbappé. Though you can't want him be on picking the form now expected our France. No, but yesterday now you clearly see Kylian Mbappé is giving out the numbers into money more. How is the telepathy going to go? And only ade back one may share our France national team name pa odi no so to one ma. Let's go to the Portugal and Denmark game. Kit will be on that one. Look, a man for be who say Cristiano Ronaldo should call it a quit now. And maybe one of those people I believe in say Ronaldo baby our born Bruno. There's nothing more for him to prove. Though say it's something that he would really want to win the World Cup. But then baby what Bruno he shouldn't be worrying because there's no way he's going to be able to win it. 2026 assembly.
Why are you jumping to
conclusion? Ronaldo right now, we've seen drastic changes in the athleticism. Ronaldo, since the inception, and as was chef football as he was sporting, what is significant about him? How athletic are we? Right now, drastic changes and album. And 2026, do you think say the 2 years ahead of us, Obet Miyako World Cup maybe early team the Aquajiana at the age of 42 years at that time? I don't think so. And right now, it's about time the Portuguese national team, no, they look elsewhere. They try to move on from Cristiano Ronaldo. And Papa friend Martinez, Bible team, no. I was expecting, say, be a bit mere bold kakra. Now there were some key games we walk on Ronaldo free bench. And that's what both first staffer only if you introduce the new chaps no and for room. But it seems like still now Portugal is still dependent on Cristiano Ronaldo, and I'm looking to see how our things will pan out. But in this game, they are going to win. Italy against Germany. Something little on that game.
Yeah.
When Luciano Spalletti, Ekogunu who anima say Euros name. But right after that, so why are Italy national team now? They seem to have, gotten back their form. They seem to have gotten back their form. So I'm about some few games after the Euros no in the Nations League. I'm making sure somebody winning most of the games. But is Italy going to find the right balance in defense? Because they see and so far Italian national team what they are mainly known for the defense and the midfield. And midfield no particularly defensive midfield.
But that's it.
But ubet me pinpoint say when we had the proper defenders Italy say see omani omwana Alessandro Bongiorno, these are players from Wardham. Are they going to be enough? Okay. And I feel say Italy though said they are getting some form back better, it is still not enough. But Luciano Spalletti still have a higher wall to climb. And I feel say beer. And Yema bit me at around a kakadiamon, but we wouldn't be seeing the Italian of the olden days. No?
But I say cloud internet, Hona Oko, Bibacho say, per se, IPVT installation of Faber Die, a banner digital security locks are now the Baba Die, web hosting, and a banner Wi-Fi and hotspot deployment, and internet connectivity, CCTV cameras. Installation in no ye nti wadaro banana pesa wote anka room cloud internet ye cha kwan top high tech corner so ye ne love from abosa de di hwede mo Kouman man Urabank Kouman Urabank ho bebia broad no mu no ha ne ye wo ti brana me patro ye ni komana bibia nko ye emfama cloud internet brodjuma pa 0202699110 Philip
Who's a make about the greatest ever Brazilian footballer in Garincha, the little bit.
Okay.
Mekan Hunsenbebre. Sometimes, in our time, we for some countries are no more football mad. Now they compare players are big chum. Now they compare players of today. Sometimes they mismatch. And no country is Colombia. A lot of people will attest to the fact say, Omwenya Falcao, Omwenya James Rodriguez, and they are the greatest. They are never the greatest. So we have Colombia team of yesterday and yesteryear, sir. The best players of Colombia, Enya, Baku Faustino Asprilla, and Baku Carlos Valderrama. Carlos Valderrama is the greatest player of Colombia, the nation Colombia, producing. It is never James Rodriguez.
Okay. And
it is never Radamel Falcao. But I say, we'll compare Abedi Pele and the current generation. Sometimes, I have comparisons with a mismatch. Carlos Valderrama, I call him the divine ponytail. Now, go South America, the nickname refer to El Pibe. El Pibe in Spanish, said a kid. And what's the Diego Maradona? Your friend El Pibe Doro, the golden kid.
Okay.
That is El Pibe Doro.
Yeah.
Now El Pibe in Colombia is the man Carlos Valderrama. On what they experience in so. On Bob watching Bia Colombia. Since a football bar Colombia, or who play Bia and Sassone Aquawi, Carlos Valderrama.
Hey.
And the compliment with Faustino Asprilla was exceptional. No crab coupe. The compliment with that is a brand friend Faustino Asprilla was exceptional. In 1995. in the World Cup, that is a Copa America and the World Cup qualifiers. Buenos Aires in Argentina. Diego Maradona was in that game. And on the day, Colombia shared Diego Maradona's Argentina by 5-0. Until date, or the greatest loss Argentina recorded in their national football history. And it was led by, that tsunami that disaster was led by Carlos Valderrama.
Okay.
He led that disaster. Emma Colombia kwa Argentina, Buenos Aires, the Argentine capital. Estadio Monumental. Ekosha Argentina by 5-0. And it is the worst, that's the game. It is the worst in Argentina football.
Where? Yeah, baby.
The year 1995.
1995.
Yes, Omoko Argentina Kosha Argentina by 5-0. And a dark day in Argentine footballing history. When was the last time you come about the darkest day in Brazilian football history?
Yeah.
The darkest day in Brazilian football history, no. And yet that's 7-1 no Mulusima Germany.
Okay.
That 7-1 no Mulusima Germany, no. It's never the darkest day in their football. The darkest day in their football was 16th of July, 1950, where they lost 2-1 at the World Cup final to Uruguay. Until date, your friend Maracanazo. That is the darkest day in Brazilian footballing history. Now, Colombia national team currently, it looks like I saw more projects and I want to say I drop it. Current manager no Argentine, your friend that is Nestor Lorenzo, and he was the assistant to Alejandro Sabella when Argentina went to the World Cup. And you know, Onwanka saw Argentine. And he knows he understands the symphony of the Argentine game. And then they also coach the current Colombian national team, Nestor Lorenzo. Now, at a point in time, when Jose Peckerman, to me, the best under 20 national team coach, Jose Peckerman. And Jose Peckerman, now building the team led by Andres Di Alessandro, Javier Saviola, Fabrizio Colocini, the former Newcastle captain. Almost Ghana at the final by 3-0. That was in 2001 in Argentina.
Yeah.
It was Jose Peckerman. And when Jose Peckerman in Argentina called World Cup in 2006, I'm from the assistants in Papa friend Nestor Lorenzo. But at a point in time, Colombia decided, say, because of their relationship with Argentina, into Jose Peckerman. And it was under the tutelage of Peckerman, no Benya Radamel Falcao, any James Rodriguez. No. The best that Colombia year at the World Cup was in Brazil in 2014. But since then, I see project assigned by phone. And I can tell you for a fact that currently Colombia drop it. But then the rate with which Brazil drop now, Colombia drop it. But the rate with which Brazil drop now, the reason why I make us a Brazil drop in is say Brazil is the pinnacle of football. There is no footballing nation that competes Brazil. There is no footballing nation that competes Brazil. But then, so we compare Brazil of yesterday, Brazil of yesteryears, and Brazil now, I say quality now dropping. And one significant drop in Brazilian team, I had a missing piece in the jigsaw, and I say Brazil have never replaced Ronaldo since he retired. Brazil national team have never replaced Ronaldo since he retired.
And can they?
A bit take time, and a bit take years. Your place be a 1 in a million, pay once in a blue moon. For instance, country like Norway tap producing very good number 9s, and that's a very good strikers. But almost a production mill, no players pass through within a blink of an eye. One is Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, the super sub at Manchester United, John Carew for Norway, and again for the great Valencia of the year 2000s. Now, Andre Flo, formerly of Chelsea. These are all golden generational strikers. And this time they have Ellen Holland, another golden generational striker. But Brazil, the golden generation, no, idea Brazil, Elakipai number 9s. Number 9s are Beninano. So we, the legendary Ademir Daguia, I invent say the Caesar kick. We Omufrio, no Becca Romario, no more Ronaldo. The Oma Benina, Oma Bayo Omondier, but they couldn't get to where Ronaldo and Brazil do here. Player or promise. So but me the next Ronaldo was Adriano. But I don't know, because of the psychological effect, because of Nepapa who won he couldn't do what Ronaldo did for the Brazilian national team. Instead of Ronaldo, look at players Omaba. Luis Fabiano, Alexandre Pato, Joe, Washington, Elano, a lot of players now, but the Omunya Akwobi, already I call him the fashionista. What kind of Wagner love?
Yeah.
Ghana more friendly match be after the 2006 or so World Cup. And we played against Brazil. Brazil shared 1-0. It was Wagner love who got that goal.
Yeah.
Wagner love Munyinaba. But we're at the levels now. Player win your chance at the national team, Mario Jardel. The great Mario Jardel of Galatasaray. Till date, one of the legends of Galatasaray, Mario Jardel. Another player win your chance at the national team because of Ronaldo, the presence, Giovanni Alba. Giovanni Alba for Bayern Munich. And during that time, he was at the peak of the powers for the Kings of Bavaria. But when you chance him because Ronaldo is truly phenomenal. A bad thing to play with Ronaldo. But now look at more Brazil number 9, Richarlison. So what do you know? Yeah. And number 9 for Brazil, Richarlison, Gabriel Jesus. Bueno had a free promise to be the next Ronaldo, but we who also here. Another player, Alexandre Pato. And the Pato had promises just after the 2005 the FIFA Intercontinental against Liverpool. He scored the only goal. And Osha go we thought said the next player will replace Ronaldo in the Brazil shirt. When for Alexandre Pato. But Pato the career path. And ko yesa. Into Brazil for I don't like player number 9. And the national team no player more relying on for that number 9 position no. And your foreign player, he's a local player. Your friend Igor Jesus. He plays for Botafogo. Or not necessarily only the Brazil attack. And they are coming up against him, my friend Colombia. Colombia at DP, Brazil at DP. But I can tell you, say, game way a tough a game, not for Colombia, but rather for Brazil. Brazil no boom. Give me a demon of power than Colombia. And the reason is very simple. There is one player who can take the game to the next level for Colombia, and that player is James Rodriguez. Even at the age, he makes things very easy for the Colombian national team. He is the glue our bonded the Colombian attacking together. Colombians, problem kakra me wo boy friend John Koroba. He's a very good player, but he's not top. Okay. Any problem at Colombia? Means the game now Brazil against Colombia now matching. A game fair, but quality of both national teams now dropping. Okay. And only one of the minuses are war in South America at the moment.
Me that's it. Philip. Apostle.
Yeah. Boko there.
Boko nyame mobo.
Una you don't watch it. Now quick one. So there's issue about they call the AFCON 2026 World Cup qualifier. They started Eswatini and Cameroon. First of all, Cameroon arrangement to fly, say on to Kwai I call special chartered flight.
Okay.
But time on 2 years. Oh, Baby crew, you communicate with Omo Aviation, Omo Chill, send your moon shell, when you cook a sea, cook it one. Tiomo Shisha anytime on say we play the crack or crano and also. And so at the time I would take you off when they communicated to check. Now it's on my phone. There's someone called that South Africa. And for bus 5 hours from Joburg to Eswatini.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do 15 hours before the game. I'm gonna have 1 full day rest. But now into the game, I know it doesn't matter. Who now we mistake. Nobody cares about that. Cameroon, Sebi, team Awako captain, national team of Africa, experience some more. You don't make such mistake. Now the game itself was about Sratko Lugarosic. The game was about it.
Lugarosic?
Yeah.
Former Kotoko?
Yeah. Look, the way Oshisha team, like when Lugarosic is always a 3 center back, 2 wing back. Yeah.
I remember him with Emmanuel Jenfi. Or the Kobo right wing back.
Oshisha team, look. And these 2 young chaps, Enzo, Biema, Dlamini, and then also Innocent Dlamini, how he used them to deal with Brian Mbimo on the right and then Frank Magri on the left was super. What would you understand? Omba Nimpo, Omba Hano, Omba. Would you have because you see, for a team like Eswatini, they have nothing to lose. Brought to this game, only a point in ground. I think one of first point. So yeah, tactical coach and who names Zratko they are the back one for him and tactics. Or no, coaches are on BMB.
Yeah.
What do you say? We are next week, we on board. Now he made sure that he defended so deep. So Vincent Abubakar had 2 chances from Martin Hongla. Oh yeah, on Banyele Sikopambe, Ajraho, Ajiboard. Or no, any Mabelela, and then Figueroa Justice, the 5, did a wonderful job. The DM in Kwache Twala on corner, ni mwana sa wajia no botum.
No plan.
Because when you are playing against a team like this, more quality, all they need is a little opportunity and space on the shoulder.
Okay.
But the coach also, coach is, you don't go and play Carlos Baleba as a left wing back. As for Jackson Chachua, he's a top class right winger, right back, and wing. Now, because of that, you had issues with the creativity from the middle to Hongla and then Zamba Gisa. Zamba Gisa also be our bread. So, for me, the point is that the coach Zratko Lugaruzi Eyenejuma and Cameroon failed someone Libya perspective because all teams were so making sure say who do game no ajram so yeah bemamba. But they failed to that and they were closing the almost frustrating Cameroonians. And like I said, it's because I know the coach I'm talking about, Zlatko. They were able to handle them. And now Cameroon must pray that Libya does not beat Angola. Because when that happened, Libya because when Libya wins, Libya will go top of the group. Now don't forget the next game, Cameroon Indomitable Lions train the Mediterranean Night of Libya. Okay. Now Libya now attitude, mentality, approach of the game different because of Aliou Cisse as a coach. So prior to Aliou Cisse, Libya approach to the game, attitude, everything different. Now Aliou Cisse is on the bench. That's also going to be a different ball game altogether. So unfortunate draw for Cameroon, but they should try and make amends. Only Libya shall fear next week, and they should try and make amends. And yes, sir, there'll be trouble. They call group no dynamics, no gap. Point gap no extra. Now let's go to Liberia versus Tunisia. Once again, like I said yesterday, Tunisia knew how to qualify for a tournament. Tournament no munya there, but qualification there. And
coach no more qualify.
Jose,
and no more qualify.
No, they know how to qualify.
Okay.
I mean, you see, it's something that Ghana in the past
okay.
They know how to qualify. And Coach Sami Trabelsi here, they say the experience play. The reason say is I want Isa Laiduni. Because he's the DM that works so tirelessly. And then he showed it.
Okay.
And now between him and Solomon Twe and then Divine Chair, that the Liberian midfield. He proved say Ono is a top player. Had good support for Slimani. Slimani yesterday was brilliant. Now, and now what they did, Tunisians counter-attack, defended so well. Montasa Talbi and then Dylan Bruma center back were brilliant.
Okay.
Ali Abdia left back, excellent. The moment came when a wonderful pass from Abrantier, Hanigel Magri, Emma pass, then Ali Abdi crossed it to Hazem Mosturi, brilliant goal. After that, Tunisia decided they knew what to do best. They defended. They defended so well. And then Sefali Saitel, I mean, he was superb. Always attacking front, dropping and defending so well and making it difficult for Liberia. And Ayub Kwasi, 2 chances, but not any chances are too clear.
Okay.
So unfortunately, Liberia, I knew said no matter what, Tunisia will win or Tunisia will draw. They've done that. They've opened a 5-point gap. For Ghana, Madagascar against Central African Republic, and yeah, good news, Ghana, because they've won. Corentin Martin is a very experienced coach. And it's a new coach syndrome thing also well. So that's working well for them, that they were able to win. Now they've gone 10 points. Yeah, I see a winning against Chad, which will win. Now, among the second leg, the second game will be playing against Madagascar difficult because of the chances. Say Timia share near winning Ghana be share crumble winning, but share Ghana be some control bioma. Change the dynamics of the game against Madagascar.
Okay.
We'll come to that game. Now, and then International Olympic Committee.
Elections. IOC.
Who replaces Thomas Bach?
And then the question coming, who is winning?
Well, because of the way I pope, Sana IOC anything. Yeah, serious secret ballot. And first of all, mobile phone grand call. Mobile phone.
Oh, but I said damage in your head, which we damage in your view, which
damage with dynamics. President no Onyaka Kestley Coventry, I am minister, former swimmer, 2-time gold medalist Olympic, and then former minister for current sports minister for Zimbabwe. Onyayanka Ono and Ebabe Winnie.
Okay.
Or Yeni 2-year president no met me up the first African pass Babe Winnie and then also do you have the issue about Sebastian Coe, IIFF president no and then vice also being the man that a lot of people in IOC for so Yehian Sakraye dia Yema onumbra nebe Sakraye one Antonio Samaranch Bad Jr. Ni papa ye president 1980 to 2001 sorry essay me papa ni mpanyifo na kasa we mu bebre mo me papa na mambo juma aye these three are the front runners. Trust me, this is a very difficult contest. This one the contest are young nipa like emra yakai so what the kind and now with the omni say plan say yemi say why Prince ana me ana Philip and the kind wakan we have not seen any true leader emerging out of this so-called three and we are front runners as we speak now.
Yeah.
So it's going to be very interesting how the end 106 out of 109 countries in a voting.
Okay.
We now know here majority. Now majority is 50+1, more than 50%. So yeah, tuna yanya 50%. Now wow, we last no. Yeah, but you will from me as uncle to you. Now yanya we more than 50%.
Okay.
So it's going to be very tight, dicey. We are now mature problems are the winner of the IOC president or some be press
also solving. Okay.
What they say solving. And it's going to be very interesting. We wait for the outcome of the election. Now at the meantime
we in a minute.
Emma Raducanu, you see once again about parenting. Young girl 2021 winning US Open. When as to spin, she's 22 years.
Yeah.
One of the most beautiful girls I've ever in my life. She's so beautiful.
Sir.
Also, she was beautiful, exceptionally beautiful. Sikabe mo British Airways mo started Vodafone started sponsoring and Sika started be mo pe. I have problem with taking decisions on the coaches. From 2021 till now, he just sacked a coach 14 days.
Wow.
Why? Coach no say be musuo say only ejuma musuo ba oni abutre and issues. But I think that as a young lady, after all the 7 coaches that you've sacked, still one slam now and one BC. You expect that is where the parents come in. You expect that she should be guided. Say nyabotre sebiu coach no ni unyadwin efa subano kansem bia no kire say na dwuma nankasa ode wudi na beboa no and na socials. But finally see adie baako and Naomi Osaka have blamed the mother, the father, the same thing. Emma Raducanu, the mother and the father are failing her because of Sika. Wanya Sika term even though she's a young. But the contrast in Janet Sinner's parents, one Carlos Hakaras, the parents, we need Grand Slam, we need 3.4 million, 3.2 million, straight into account.
Straight into account.
Control, and that is why the two that the parents control, you realize that the two are doing very well. Now, man, more you expect madness and some more control. They have failed to do that, and they are falling out terribly. They are performing poorly. And then Carlos Akara, his worth over $35 million. But he doesn't misbehave. The parents control the money. They cannot call into account.
Apostle, young generation, no. I said we are too quick to forget where we are coming from.
It's the parent. The Bible says, "Parents train their children in the ways of the Lord," and then the children are teaching the parents. But it's the parents. You have to put your feet down. You are the father. You
are
the son.
parents. No more yet. You move it to me, but
Master Jai.
It's not ready to happen.
Jai kola ino suna bra Jai.
Okay. Yan kola ino so ni nkodi nkomo. Jojo. Ewa ahoma so. Kigali. Hello, Kigali. George in Timmy County. Mojena Mumuamena, Yanquin. Hello, George in Timmy County, producer. Shana Buamena, Yanko. Hello, George. Okay. Ne passé kwa manasune former Kumasi Asante Kodoko, former Sekeni Hazakes Ashanti Gold, former Blasters goalkeeper George Kigali. Oh, Edin Komo, but you go so Apostle.
There's a more you know, be a name that even the Blackstars, none of them.
Aye.
Listen, the goalkeepers you have in the national team. Nobody, none of them is anywhere near him. The only we keep talking about yesteryears. So him. In fact, him in the ranking order at that time, ranking order. Samir J. Richard Kingston. Before. No?
Oh yeah.
Who they say?
Yeah.
Before Richard Kingston better take you over. So guys are friendly.
Ghana, South Korea.
Yes. And Richard Kingston more better take you over. So even your last recent World Cup performance, you're looking at Ukan 2006 World Cup, 2010. Our goalkeepers today. None of them could walk into that goalkeeping department. Only 2010. Yeah, I'm saying that our goalkeepers today cannot even none of them. Prince said that now come. Goalkeepers said no. None of them can walk into the 2006 or 2010 World Cup. So it shows you how Yakov.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay. Young call say Ibenya George Kigali. George Kigali. Hello, George. Okay, the
so
lines are not going through.
So look, one of the finest goalkeepers I've personally, I mean, I've had a lot of occasions with. Very Owahon Brasia on Kasabebre.
Yeah.
On the Kasandebia is on the full of play. And don't forget that he was also by the brother Ben.
Bono.
Yes. I sing for soccer missionaries. Okay.
Yeah.
But I mean, local league, but I sing for soccer missionaries. So. I mean, he's one of the, and also goalkeepers over here, you hardly hear any option baby. Look, trust me, he's been an outstanding goalkeeper for Sandy Kodoko as well.
Apostle, yes, I'm trying to say.
Okay, right.
Hello, George. Jojo.
Let's move on.
Okay, let's move on. Apostle, but I say, you're not trust, but you messages can come for now. Young coffee commercials non tentem so. Agent Giovanni was say, okay, I will try for them 100. Okay, wow. Namoro was it today? No us. Ruben Cam was it Douglas Unim Red. Okay, Leon Akins was it please any betway code for us today? Okay, was it O2 should just play flat 4, not high line, or else we'll be in trouble. No understanding between the goalkeepers and the defenders. Goalkeeper always wide away from the defender line, defensive line. Poor anticipation and awareness. Not the best sweeper goalkeeper. Okay. Hello, George. Okay, still. Okay. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Sparky Glory or say more fire that say messages in the door super. And now Joe or say Kante and wife outfit cost 200 Ghana. Or you both watching neighbor he or say watching you live. Go Blasters. Okay, Bright Kwame and Wako example or say in Kumsa more fire. Okay, that's Albert Dari or say Philip no go drop anything. Philip and I'm for also power. Almost I won't drop it. Okay, I want the set. Or message no. Yonsa Kapana go for show. The goal. Bunya was say more fire. Okay, Mr. Drake was say as I said. Win and close. or say win or lose is in any game. Still at your back, Prophet in Kumsa. Sompa sports greater than all sports. Okay. BDK we message na be dress Sompa more fire. You know say Nyankopon shout pa. George Coleman Asante was the only say in Ghana media sir Prince. You do all fantastic analysis watching the show live from Achumacha there from Reverend George Coleman Asante. The message was also at the Abarno Paul Amino Zoti at the message about good morning na equal fantastic sports. Yada senior coupon show pa. On this note, you know so now you know homra. Yaba traso de amamo kama inti ko Facebook so Sompa 93.1 FM. Now follow our channel the message ba ana for Sompa TV on the YouTube na fe. What subscribe now the message and swap ba. Men San Francisco Kante, your wife is so good. Okay, Kante you na engine samba wano. Ras Bakiba message about Ras. Or see humility is very good. Don't be over humble. Okay. Omo Kante go Kante say ahobra say dey no so dey oyere dey.
Onye boni bia sa na tete no.
Also
Sanet, it won't Kenya or air watch rich, wealthy people. Okay, cover Hamanaso.
Okay, call Manos meaning come on. George Kigali Ewa Manoso. George. Hello, George.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Patrick. What is saying?
Yeah, Nyamiado, Wase.
Boko, George Kigali George, okay, again be about the problem. Not George Regional Center of Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Kotoko Azakes, or Peja Bondo to a 2 Kazak Bono.
Lie in the way very bad.
Line here, bad.
Yeah, lie in the way you cry.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, George, Drashman, now, Minya.
No.
George, stay there.
Hello?
Hello, George, stay there.
Yeah, make some noise. You are line.
Okay, George, sorry, yes, I'm for back. Why? Yes, I'm for back. Father George was still now noise background. Oh, okay, George.
Yeah.
I've heard it.
Oh, I see us.
Okay.
Hello?
George, I've heard it.
Oh, line in your cry, line in here.
But what to make?
No, but to me too faint in one line in question, I will be some of them in 10 years.
Okay, I've heard it.
Yeah, because I'm it.
Okay, George. So okay, Kotoko Azakes. Baby, I'm not George is now Peter Bondo to it in the center. Okay.
Oh yeah, some line I'm in 10 years. Okay, yeah, it's very bad.
Okay, George, Father, yes, I'm about now. You know what? In community, George, you better try now for your side. So, you call for a quick commercial break. When we come back, and Simba Bay and a dead ball from the camp of the senior national team. You better see.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
If I shall be, I'm sure you'll buy me. Bra, see the time about Mr. Esia Jimmy Mifie for a year about ever so. Really, do this over now. Bra, and because I made the time about Mr. Wadansia, we are seeing now a better maker. It is malaria, what do any time about Mr.
I know you go, dear, and what you want to me any deal. What do any time about Mr. A great and your mark or bar waffle through, dear, what mark for down for any aquada when you feel do you and some of the time about Mr. Drain. Shasa wako hospital and answer loud. I'm what we say. Who a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva a woman. Even slap. Ubina be at all ever over the counter medicine sellers and the herbal shop to do an FDA aji a judging crotway at home.
I was like, I can't do a job to narrow who's a woman said. I was like, 2 years it's the African Spider-Man. I may have fucking to him when any problem here. Then the bill costs for to come when you're going to one beer. African Spider-Man, the Baby say what of but preoccupying who's African dance, what Baby say what of now with secret ground anything. Imbus herbal mixture and only me secret. Now me here to know how to cut out from. And the police me do one dance and say, many na me sonshwe. Na me so no. A booster immune system. I'm say me train na mental bread. Me timi di come on. I'm going to call me so akoso. Me kura so me ta yale. I'm my latitude me nya baako. Eye je na koso ho. Hey! Spider-Man! What are you? Who fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imbus herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. A pin for any Colombian if you're doing enom FDA aggregating tattoo at.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our brick be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause say you might for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Kuya yomu hekwanya ubefaso nyejuma ana ati ejuma kwa mfaso waso ewo kuya juma mu eni ATVet mu enne ya so anamone fasi sanwo wabusua eni wo mpatemu asetenemu bo *718*50# na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Top Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation ni Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debrew
Mamenche time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa a yadro say a manipedian kwamwano enya hwaden na akwatia yare and train yare and san wakoto fire wadro na no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe twasono wonnoa and the time HH herbal mixture e dia bedwaso akora wonyenyan fihye dumienu anumbi wopemfo ene oba wo makora nufo enso anumbi time HH herbal mixture wobenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244417669 0244417669 time HH herbal mixture a yedro say FDA ade adwadien kratoi atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wymed. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. but nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer.
Okay, then must say a day hookah by your 20 minutes so full time live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Cinco de Mario, I already enter some hitting the lines. Naya Yane, former Kumasa Sante Koroko, former Blasters goalkeeper George Kigali. Oh, Edin Komo Kama, Ewo Ahomano Sunti, Yanko Nafe, Yane George Kigali. Oh, Edin Komo George, all to say.
Jamia de Mouye.
Yɛda nyankopɔn ase paa fakyɛ sɛ na lines no na ɛma yɛ problems kakra. George, okay, game bi a ɛkɔɔ so Ghana Premier League between Hazakers and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na Joe Otri Edza Center na who so abo nim kaka na ɔpɛgya bɔɔl no ɛtu kaza game no.
Yeah, me kɛ sa match no.
Sa go no na ɛyɛ ɔlɔwɔ ana.
Oh, yeah, because ball no now just support between the down so. But when I make a ball out to me,
yeah.
But I take ball so easy. The ball can send it.
Most na unsabon kuno na ni fano ball no kwa me ba asa na jufu so the koto na trim.
Sometimes, you know, as a goalkeeper, the ball will be taking it easy, you know. So I ball no be to myself. So we take it ball so easy.
But George, who compare more time, no? The kind of quality now goalkeepers are now representing Ghana in terms of blasters quality. Now we compare Maypa and then the time now. Who will say love will not drop here now?
Oh, I would say a different generation, but I would say I'm not challenging them. It's like we will say only one goalkeeper who will come out. So many goalkeepers, but now no or different regime no matter who make it now. Because at times in the phones and I didn't set down doors. So they said they need good rest. You prepare your mind towards the game. But now no phones are doors. But we all performing that they can performance na kufomi. Now sometimes I hate me. That's what goalkeepers now, but it's like there's no consistent in China.
George, Musa was our question. We say the current goalkeepers are or more ever blasters. More time, no can one part a bit men, a bit men go set up in him.
It was done everything can. It was now no. You are consistent to hope. And we say, well, you know,
George, what about you forget about consistency. Make up quality. The current blasters goalkeepers in terms of quality and a class of one. One more time, no, goalkeeper ben a bit mania the opportunity so you're part of blasters goalkeeping setup no.
Kakam worker will say, I'm doing Kenkeno, and so a different regime in Waba, Mamachan, what I say. But no, question will be said review because question with you,
yeah.
And because you know, we say, and one and be too afraid, I don't know.
No, because more time the current blasters goalkeepers are more. Why am I quality no? Commit me blasters team no.
It was new word. It was in a new regime. But sometimes you know, would compare and really momentum what I say. Because a different ball game now. At times you know, in time and said that you goalkeeper screener more. One be better now. No, you need goalkeeper screener. We train this time in the show. Show ma. Boys and uncles only do training if they become the back. Coach is different from them. But I think that your mama needs to be on Kakaka. Kakamtamo, Mankasoma phone with him. I even know Bishaka, you be so Zani Baby, a very consistent because Tama only lady flew na Kwarasi should be seen now or very good but late and Yamas should change him
yeah
up to now the I say adoption woman in Yamakaka maybe get to my fine
Matthias George now what the mammy for last question with them in jail now because then we saw last question about Blasters the goalkeeper situation who share the 3 goalkeepers are more available the 2 matches about boya why na we say or what it takes the quality also to start
look at with you sana meche and some with you okay let me question you direct because look at with you
okay George I've got to make
yeah
so to make
no look at with you as some of kanu metia ni na kuchi ni question you
okay George maybe
last time was better, but now and then you take some question with you.
Okay. George. George, I said
yeah, come out again.
Okay. Maybe said the current 3 goalkeepers away. The next 2 matches about the day. Why not we say what quality? Well refreshed for this game. One also to start the next 2 games away.
Goalkeepers almost see and one fish over straight into the match. When I did say we are ready, prepared, and the quality. Maybe I can come work and say I think other than TZG and I do the World Cup. Because Ben is up and coming. He gets paid bets. Sometimes normal of this matches you cannot take risks. You need experienced goalkeeper. That. See the goalkeeper and has goalkeeper who using the kind of crowd for the friendly game before suddenly defeat into the team.
Yeah.
To be using at once, in the other day, you work out another at
okay. When the officer Ben there say your money time kakra now we study Wola Kotene Atizigi.
Yeah.
Okay, but we also can say the Ben in the Ghana Premier League was starting a bit mada. House goalkeeper no. Our partners said the way Ghana Premier League was or starting Blasters post no only problem. Can format when do no.
Sometimes Uber goalkeeping we need time or in your time you demand no. What I say. Want to be Ghana League and compare international matches. When experience also because you know why say starting with maybe they play Kotoko they quite good and say professional. But that time now even Kotoko Confederation Cup now they
yeah.
That okay for goalkeeper direct from the league now on the African terrain no in Kashima to answer a cricket problem
people say match the profile from Charlie and Sankoda now or a celebrity building the confidence now and not come to buy a goalkeeper anymore.
No, but in case of sometimes in case of emergency maybe the injury we have a serious and they which man trying to take risks but we under friendly match to be put that. Wada on the 23, on the 22, man qualify. My mention what I say.
I'm a Tazepa.
Yeah, what about compare we are experience also we have a trend kanga friendly matches no more you know. Now what they show no. Then we mention
okay. George, you Tazepa. After the game,
in the line with the I don't think I can talk much.
Okay, no problem. Also Ghana network away. But after the game, you said about or not yet in Komowai.
Okay, Bamish.
Yes, George Kigali. Oh, George with the attending Kano. Former Blasters, Kumasa Santikoro goalkeeper. And I attended Kano. Omani Rasinko. what to say
already I
be call
yeah fine
Simco when you Simco you be here yes yeah John Academy you here yes you know yes now the brush no yeah a bit more remember baby na etmetu choose ne kama mama we so ho so to my day what I say yes brush no there say we call shopping mall so do Ghana ha eno am obi eto what I say ade bia what the roster be mo de so pay yes what I say yes ni bi won kwa de a o no kasa wo to brush o say yes it will be yes ni the amount now we show how far don't think a bottle toothpaste as say Ghana obi eto a yes de no you want total care your whitening toothpaste and your yes herbal care and so on to win the bi the paste wo so na you choose na e do so no ban ewu bia ebe yiri de fu osini mo se kaka ne wa yes toothpaste no eno na make for them say bon free kaka ho what I say na conducive for Ghana your weather no nti ebrama osini timi gina pa bibia so etimi ko e the mount yes you know maba so pa juma mo boma no thing it na time heba master no we na time heba master na fe wonu ma make out so bibia be ko na so e the amount time heba master ye draw anu oshipa malaria into dimwo no ekuno no ama eyi malaria fi ni pedwene ma o so timi to enti wador mo nya time heba master na malaria do ko ni nyina no eto betwa wo boy ya boss 3 minutes papa no fi first start e free na emo no ekeka ka mo no mu dwane what asema ho so e to ba na bi e koi enso e de na wonti di dia wo de na so time heba master no na bi no no fa dance so pa na fe wador ma time heba master so dwa so e broma wo koma no ye den pa ama ya debia do ku ni pedwa no oba ase wonye e na wo fe ne so mo afia wo tumi kasa mi mame ko djumo so no hwedema not as so no tefio ase wonye oba obogu na nima ase tinya time heba master no na bia be koye na so edrama o padudu to 0244 417669 0244 417669 ya homa obetuma fe time heba master no time heba master pere fo na fe when na do no to o ma be to no bia no on sa so be ka bi kama pa wagine heba center hey sinko ni wagine heba center omu den papa omu den wagine heba center no say no wo pe monte 21 wo for ama for pe ma omu ofe a tese obetumi ma ye adwuma na omodi nuo eso tuma ko market no so etu ya papa wa wo ya brante na wo adwuma ya wagine se bamwo fo adwuma na we number is simple for number is here 0542 725858 0542 5858 or say about incentives about bonuses and of about accommodation and no problem will be choke wagine heba center super fantastic or no bedroom party or no remote to sing quatrose what the system no ebe money na sinko
latest either sena enwa blasters training ground so wo na SSLC John Dramani mama bura ho anacheze na eho ni kan pa na odin sample to dwa o se eho behia se Ghana betima build a strong team yenwe na yen sent ebra SSLC John Dramani mama city players now this answer ni to dwa we make sure so mbedi nkuni mama o man no. Yes, when in some Excellency John Ghana Paya don some Bana sports minister Honorable Kofi Adams no dey to man penny anim say coaches any players na sure into china oba money
once again becomes a force to be reckoned with in African and global football.
Minister Kofi Adams dey to Ghana Paya don some
500 Ghana cedis per utoya wasama 10 gigabyte of data. Everyone will be almost uja interfere no social media no utwegum sa eno ane betway what you say and I say no ane telecell connecting energies you know say probably heavy mama from to ni say Kunu Ghana limited I say hunchu capsules no eye ema ene hunchu capsules no eye ema ene memedru wa obebu ha na no persist bi was a driver see me there was so baby general for what me bonsu wo hu di wonye no ju so tremo won to control Johnson what I say so ba Johnson feel ubetima take control of Ojoshua and when say hunchu capsules me bi no me bebo na me catch us me bo pa e ma me patcho wa chese Ojoshua try the problem ya be no asovu ni na no wetima control meaning papa bia oti nani na Ojoshua go no ni na no hunchu capsules e ma be here me bi no bebo araba bazen e ye ma na dro e bo ma ase wo chisa oba de ase wo chisa dia wo o and you call baby by boss as can ya can say what I say because I cannot come apart what I say now yet there and no they araba bazen and I for no man so who can love you also see mombre some dem friend ya grossa we dey Mr. Kill we no Mr. Kill we no boss so see mombre den pa na we do pass for the pump now boss say no so say no what bicycle so boss say no come and no Mr. Kill dey be no ni na no Konu Ghana Limited no na dey so omo baby e to mo piaro so betu makabi enti mi pacho wo ponu do to ani Konu Ghana Limited phone komo 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 homa ubetuma for Konu Ghana Limited when the Mr. Kill and Araba Bazin what I say now etu Tobia no Tobia ma yire enu anu no Prince yankoi
Enra, in the African Air Qualifiers, one particular thing is here. A lot of people were surprised, and frankly speaking, say follow football ni be brand. Never be on my own shedanti asia. Say an apostle, I can't say move here. Football has never been fair and will never be fair. Unim kwa Enra fa suma Eswatini Cameroon and me no game against Eswatini. I know a lot of people have heard about the story. And I was wondering why Cameroon and Kasa will shoot their own selves in the foot. Because Omo Kasa flight arrangements and of course all these problems for them. Omo Kasa flight arrangement. Most of the time, BBC.
What is happening? Almost all of the teams will complain about flight.
Yeah, and it is normal with African terrain. And I know say Apostle there, he's well vested into these things because to kwani bia. Africa has saying a kwanya fast in terms of going to play football. No. Frankly speaking, ultimately to kwanya bia country now from country to country now kobobo was no. Better we translate to a country far than baby
I'm for Ethiopian airliner. Okay, so we're a direct flight on fire.
Yeah, but
see chartered flight.
Chartered, yeah, direct.
Yeah, see and images ni bia na omotete airport no hono no. Fanto
situation we can was me. Angola for so passing through pa.
Oh yeah.
Me so final training against Libya.
Anonym. Then anka you say no man opponent no one kobo.
Okay.
And they play that mafia game on you. But this time around teams no more kobo match ni mum na omo ankasa nyom arrangement here. Because Cameroon no be na dey omo. When they went there, they had to wait at the airport. Now them saying case omo fa flight. And they could do air spill on bet. Because of air flight now say arrangement issues inti omo fa bus air travel on the ground 300 kilometers before say omo ko do the particular place omo ko akobobo no. And there was a post unse ngamelu or a post here they be very good and that's no enti me enkan encheti was say set up jemam pale force pool pale and owie no say kedie num garde sulima the work can be simple. Also, we Lucy West, onim the one campo. No, no, one person, Yankopon, your one dom, and more home by form could. Listen to this. This is a player who is going to play, and we've seen in Gamelu as being one of the best central midfielder for the team. No, Kakubo game. No, Kasasim we are. Be posted on social media say, or Serena Yankopon, so the one for Munkudu because Nanoko will be the Akasakra, then their man.
As before, Cameroon has gone to more than 50 times of this. Historically, Cameroon.
Okay.
In 1990, the players, the Antiomo bonus, qualification bonus, they went to the World Cup and they went to the quarterfinal, but for robbery. by the referee.
Yeah.
The link a second penalty. They would have gone to the semi-final as at 1990. I always say as an African player, yes, in Pennyfono and some enemy, but no never we see a normal. Rather look beyond us.
Yes.
Yeah. Like the American 2002, Bruno Matthew. Listen.
Okay.
The same issue. Then President for Senegal, Abdoulaye Wade. There were issues, bonuses. Bruno Matthews catch up say, what happened? Mumfa money into so. Moko na mu we are scared beba mu we kra mu girls kra mu fa mom mu be check.
They played better.
Yeah.
And then they did that by not even taking the bonus and went to the World Cup.
Yeah.
Liverpool. So I'm saying that this is my argument. As African player, you any free to say yeah the sebi. But then focus more on the game. Okay. We are not standard European nations.
That's very true, Apostle.
So you know, listen, they are Cameroon have better players than him. They've gone through that and made their name before.
So
one can
I perfectly understand the point to Umi on this issue. But no problem me. Apostle, I perfectly understand. Unse this Jojo Unedi Nkomo CCA. You must say the kind of situation at those times no from no and how they were trained, how they were brought up no. They were accustomed to this. Said Jojo Umo and I said the older players need to be more for these situations more. And come on, have any problems with it. But and they, you know, they are accustomed to the Western world no more.
You know, you play 2 AFCON. You should know by now. You should be accustomed to it.
But
you are not Nathan Ngumuluwa. This is your first time playing multiply, first time playing national team. I want the new players to be the one complaining.
Yeah, because we were experienced.
It's a leadership to you. One kasa, a guide the younger ones that are coming up. When you are complaining, what happens to Ngumulu? What happens to Danny Nomoso? Move debut. And they've not seen this before.
Yeah, well, I
you see nations getting here. Listen, nations, a club getting here. In Crawford personally, have sacrificed. Nima be to make or minor din do baby we do it. And some of what be foul so o mu breast mu fa
to sacrifice.
This Cameroon team, yes, they can't win any AFCON. This Cameroon team, they can't win AFCON.
Apostle.
This, yes, I'm telling
you. The level has dropped.
Maza, when
the level has dropped.
Pay attention to it.
Yeah.
I don't just speak. This team, Cameroon team, I want to win AFCON. That's it. They can't win AFCON. And team, I'm saying now, can you just muminu?
Yeah.
And can more na say more absorb. When Nigeria had the issue with Libya, it's okay.
Yeah.
I can't find them.
Yeah.
The key senior players, you saw how they manage the situation.
The situation.
Agostino Guavon, who been there as a big boy, coach the team 3 times. That is what you do. Take it
leaders don't yell.
Of course,
yeah.
No.
The leaders,
no.
So that is the whole thing.
And sorry, with games now because I said the Black Stars will be playing Nyami Admochna. But frankly speaking, if you are Ghanaian and make game no money important to you, Comoros playing against Mali.
No, they are playing Mali.
Yeah, Comoros playing against Mali. Apostle Unim, the Amepete Ubiam Fanajun Kosuni. Unim said right now, Comoros and Ghana were the same points, right? Madagascar and they won their game. They are now topping the league.
10.
They are now topping the table.
10 points.
Yes, sure, DB. Mali is right behind us. Comoros at the and I say with the same points, but Omoda Yenim because of very good. So Comoros every new game now, they are advancing forward. Till almost say come anymore. But Mali is so winning or catch up on us. Listen, the moment Comoros wins game, and an apostle can't be. These smaller teams, no disrespect to them, do if using the word smaller, disrespectful. But won't say you were higher class SEOMO. So when we need this game against Mali, no more gain that momentum now. It will be difficult to play against them.
Okay, but that's
always it is. So me, I feel a game against Mali, no, second draw. It will help us a lot.
Who needs to control? You don't have control. You are only hoping.
Yeah.
Who there wants to control? Win the 2 games. I don't know. So that's the rule of the game. Win Chad, win Madagascar.
No calculations that
time. Forget about calculations.
So that's yes. So
6 points now.
We do 2 games and no. Near the
you are
gone.
Okay. Apostle to us.
No, me Blackstar is a bit of a flop. There's nothing to say about Blackstar. Beat Chad. Madagascar bad, but try win. That's what makes you a good and quality nation win. For me, near here me pa say game back about. And there won't ages of a lot of players in the national team. Very soon, a lot of the key quality players will be entry. About 3-4 years, they out. Yeah, President can't know how my dream. Adiana Makandi Biano, His Excellency the President John Mama, Wabeka. But you see, the bigger picture is President can't know how timeline Biato. There's no timeline. Say you've developed as of my Ghana. And this is not the first time I've had presidents speak about this. My point is this. President Aka, I want to see an action plan from the Minister of Defense, the Minister of Sports and Recreation. What is the action plan? I want to see an action plan how Ghana Football Association, Ghana Education Service will be able to put together a structure how the competition about inter-schools football different. I want to have a system where scouts do form across the nation. It means that now inter-schools no you bought 2 or 3 regions simultaneously. Say send a scout call those regions and pick the players. I won't pick players somebody going.
To the national team.
Which national team? You are picking players 14 years, 15 years to which national team? To under 15.
Yeah.
So if you have 1,000 young students, overall you have 500, you got under 15 men. Under 15, all facilities were for the continuum. That is where the point is.
Yeah.
That is where we need a soccer school of excellence. That the state will establish.
Okay.
It do not cost anything.
Or a nationwide academy.
No, it's a national. That's why I call it soccer school of excellence.
Yeah.
And your mining, they are just like Ivory Coast and the rest of them. Have one. So that Omubek taking in collide from under 14, under 15, under 13, you create the structure there for them. There are coaches, there are facilities. Build an educational institution for them.
Okay.
Until you're okay, now what shall I say, sir? Over a period of time, under 15, now okay, under 13 for them, in 2 years they'll be prepared for under 15. Then they carry over the under 17. Apart from few exceptional players, they should be the next under 15 for you have 2 years to prepare them. Okay. By the 3rd edition, we will have a situation where you're under 20, for instance. Under 20, you're about 1,000 players competing for just a little space in a Black Star.
To say the Brazil for the
yeah, me family to Brazil because yes, me family to Brazil. So I'm saying that. Yeah, can we opa and now make us say market date. One year BBC.
Oh, so you're in the live service
because I know the year, I know the best said. If you have a lot of players going to under 20, now do not call World Cup, near call World Cup. Big clubs,
yeah.
I'm go big clubs, sir. You develop your
Ghana.
So then now your under 20 should become the transitional point to Black Star. Senebea, Milo year 2010. Senebea. Your players no better me chair up on national team chair and for so be yeah. That is where my point is. By how soon as some no say be your ho.
Any plan be anyhow. And what
say be your ho. That's what my problem is.
Okay. Matasi. Philip.
Bema. Nations Cup looks very solid this time, and I think I'm not results in a buy and I'm for you how Madagascar was able to beat
we are talking about
Republic.
2026 World Cup qualifiers.
Yeah. How Madagascar was able to win by 4 goals against Central African Republic.
Madagascar for no World Cup.
Oh, are they? Every country is ready. No, let me tell you.
They can't qualify for the World Cup.
Those were the years.
They can't.
No, as for qualification there, but those were the years, you have a core World Cup, you have a born Nations Cup. Your countries are used to the tournaments, but then there is a change in paradigm, or there is a shift in paradigm. Paradigm narcissism. And the reasons, a lot of reasons are the factors. And those factors, one major factor, I'm a paradigm, a shift one. Omuna ye wo approach say be brave munchi. West this idea no omuna ewo mu abrochire no bebre na ebo mu nchi abrofo no bebre no racial omu ye racist. It's a bad day process and one yes genius and also one yes super talent ubenya those countries omu national team now obi this Alexander Isak. He's a super talent. Into Sweden will never let him leave.
Okay.
But and that Kaluma Sonodo is not needed in the national team and yes, or both it's a say or I say or picking pieces at Nottingham Forest. But then there were a lot of players omu are smart. The smartness of some of these players back Kondobia after the 2013 World Cup and the 20 World Cup almost said no new future of the French national team. It's a Kondobia captains the Central African Republic national team. That's why he's playing. A top player one more Inter Milan, more Atletico Madrid, and now no captain for the Central African Republic national team. That is how it is. Into ya omuna ya wo mu abrochire no omuna ndey omo forming that units omo make those smaller or tiny nations bigger on the football world stage. For a country like Comoros Islands, we say Comoros, one country who fi Comoros there is no visa. We bet me go very easy Air France.
Yeah.
Most of these players in Inano are born in the Ligue 2 and the Ligue 3. That is where they play the Ligue 3, the Ligue 2, and what have you. Even to some extent, the French Ligue 1. There are players from Comoros Islands who are playing there. In Ghana, when Ghana is playing against Comoros Islands, what is Comoros Islands? Won't you mudin crapping? But then when you are playing against Comoros Islands this time, it's very difficult because the brainer it trace your roots and they are not playing for their country of heritage.
Yeah.
Those times, a bad pass Burundi. Player Befi, there are a lot of players on the ball. My Englander, Omunchipa for Burundi. Someone like Sergio Berahino.
Yeah.
Sergio Berahino, of Burundi. He's a refugee. Mofara in terms of athletics.
Kevin De Bruyne beat Mabama Burundi.
Kevin De Bruyne, yes. He was born in Burundi, raised in Ivory Coast, and Ominchi Belgium.
Yeah.
Into Kevin De Bruyne, Obama Burundi. Ivory Coast in Africa. Had he not represented Belgium? Into that heritage, you see, me trace my roots, me free, me yanzimani, me yafansini, me komukrum. That is what is changing the face of football. And then football not be business. And most of these countries, in terms of infrastructure, they are ahead of that. They are ahead than Ghana.
Oh, sorry.
They are ahead of Ghana. And then look at a country like Rwanda. Rwanda was once upon a time a war-torn country. And then what are we seeing? In the Rwanda, crown Nigeria, Koba, me betini, me chachani, and then look at the odds. Nigeria crown odds here 1 cedi 95 pesos.
Rwanda,
the 3 cedis 92 pesos.
Wow.
So me betting, me jumano. I'm a panther.
Yeah.
That is an interesting fact. And then the gap between the countries, some more football mad countries, and countries are no winning football crown close to Ghana was in a group with Sudan, Niger, and Angola. Ghana qualify for Nations Cup.
Okay.
Were you surprised? Ghana qualify, but go and look at the Angolan national team. Players in the brain, they were born and bred in Portugal.
Yeah.
But then they were so moved back to Angola and playing for the national team.
And Mozambique.
From Equatorial Guinea, or players the brain, or Spain.
Okay.
No, one bomunchi. But so that is the trend. That's so in Africa, winning mean so who could try better. Let's say African gamer. And what to was kakra. Especially it's a team no quite where Africa need home near Africa need home any away.
Okay.
Cameroon cobble draw with Eswatini. Take away the flights. Your friend say no. But then it is a huge upset on the continent of Africa.
But I say birthdays were what? Yeah, from Tatuna. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay. This birthday goes to Mama Benedicta Amponsa Uwo Kenyasi Abrim Kumasi Kenyasi Abrim ha Emma Uwo one house sister friend sister Angelina Opoku and also from birthday wish we enfamao. Yes, Mama Benedicta Amponsa na de bet team ni Musano nyasa kutoa kwa didi ni birthday ewurade na gopo wa fam ho say o kwa kosia tete okoti a happy birthday girl na gopo so pa na onto kwa na me bia no onto ni shire so no abrabo enye from yeah Philip a birthday o wana.
Yes, I have a birthday. A very good friend of mine, Papa Yenzu Kwansa. The whole Takradi, I call him a bigger boy. Okay. Papa Yenzu Kwansa. On national team coaches in Namo. Ochema, and now your birthday of one of the big men, Elder Seth Astem, Elder Seth Atsem. Takradi from Papa Yenzu Kwansa and the family. Papa Yenzu Kwansa and the family, Choma, you are an inspiration to our entire family, and we are so grateful to have you in our lives. Happy birthday, Spanish Baka said feliz cumpleaños. Okay. So feliz cumpleaños, Ura Elder Sets Atsem from Takradi.
Me da se ti yenya Philip ne yatin in Kano. Yedi besia Sir Prince be bien ho. Omo fa chire omo pons and omo fa chire ho adwani bia be condemn what as your boys no omo jenje wo na so pa at this moment of the time, ladies and gentlemen, how many you know as this in live for Sompa 93.1 FM, the Thursday edition of Full Time Sports. How you DC na me am to watch na yesabe share bi.
Great Jehovah, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thine powerful hand. Help me say, guide me, thou great Jehovah. Hey, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thine powerful hand. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, oh, that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, oh way, but now I see. Guide me, oh, thou great Jehovah. Oh, through this barren land. Oh, I am weak, so weak. Thou art mighty, oh. Guide me, oh, thou great Jehovah. A pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, oh. Thou art mighty. Now hold me with thine powerful hand. I don't know why Jesus loved me so. I don't know why he cared for me so. I don't know why he died for me so. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Hold me with thine powerful hand. Help me say, oh, great Jehovah. Pilgrim through this, I am weak, but thou art mighty, oh, hold me with thine.
Dear Waguano, and one which are Sompa. Feel the heat. Sompa.
to my Ghana de shema munyina mo ha Sompa 106.5 and now asogusu ya wutie bra so se wi apam to braka se bo a ya boaboa no frefreduam ha no ye de nyina da be so mo ewa mamre kwa so na affiliate ahodo pi no na won mo fa kase bo enu achi no information centers babro bes wo ha na aduasa num won so afa kase bo yi ato apetia Ghana de shero do no a enya bi na won mo tie anansam wa ye de ba no ani mu ni binie dom kuma ya wo mra shebjo fie na dadua yi wo mo nsem trofo edi nkomo ediafa enra da bambofo bi yesusuo se former Bank of Governor won mo ko ni fie wo kodi ehurukasem
na GJ nsoso dia basobode akọ ediama aprosifo
National Disaster Management Organization NADMO edwuma ko no nso ahyase ebokoko wo se nsuo batoto tiade hia ewon kran yanya hweyi
Enkukwa nketenkete asem wese toja ewoye road mampanyin John Dramani Mahama no wabra na wo bontoa no anamso amasoafo bi akasa ede afa hodien ene free mobile
na abato ye 2024 no Mama Sarah Adwasafo mra bi atwam wo no emra hyebadwani ewo dome kwa benya abato mpeso so waka nsem bi ede afa ho
ekuo mienu bi ya won sha ba se atokese amamaba ne mrante ya wo sunwa ne kropom no wadwen wo ho ewo apomden kwan so
afai ewo apomden kwan so no so ye behwe wo mo mudidi anajo ensunsan so bone a ede ebre mu nipadua
na enu achi ne yebekọ eyensam foforo mo ewon krofo amanso Ethiopia manimo ene asem bi esiwo ye nipa bi afa nipa bi enomum ya emu nsem nyina da yede eba bedan mo ewo premto breaker sie so
afoforo bi ka ho ya bobo ne nyina no a ana wie premto breaker sie bomu wo betie na asonfo banu ene yatena sie sanse emada ene ne yade yaje atom saa akosuya ajewa akwade boaten ene medin awie me ne
ohene re mame akua yeboa asia mabronya
ensem ne ni abuso ye kwamra shebadwafie ne akwakodi nkomo na enra dan ye nya ntia se asrafo na sa posifo ne abambofo dombi wonom abo ade awura eye former Bank of Governor na kache yira Ernest Addison me wi akire korampo no ezusuye bi ne tetie bi ayensa ereka no ano adin ye pa na enensem trofo hyiamudi adonkuma no waye no wo mo de atodwa akire se abambofo na mo kwa na kura ne sabio makwa wi ade godu eya won makwa tabiridi afiri wono enyasem kuma na yakwa ma no so ye ne amane boni oto ye nkrafin kramantemu ekwa kodi enkomode afiri mrahye bedwafie na ya twetwe ma han
meju so menua ba
na mrahye bedwafie tesai
oba de adum ahaye boko
boye muai anansamtwofo hyamudi a won mo fra ye no sai na ho nsam sitie
menua mamenda wasini akonya wodi ama me awie stani ya wodi kan agba ma ne dada no ene ya de edom kuma e wo mra hyebedwam ene nsentwofo akasa na ebra no nyamfo Alexander afenyo maken odi tun nsentwofo anim no wo kyerese enro wukoda nopa ye ni pabonifuo bi enya adade ekowura mu e wo former Bank of Ghana ifie e wo rage ekoto hye ne so no wo muhwehwe mu a ne wo manyan e de kyerese sankrofo no eyade a wo mo ye national security operatives na kwa wo mo kwaye no wo mo ankoye hwese kro no e na wo koboye wo de kyerese wo no nyamfo Addison ni sika poli 10,000 Ghana choppable money ayira enkrofo na wia enu achie no ne yire ekomuade na somode ne kasimiensa sankrofo yetimi awia ne ma mi bibosi nyina ode kyerese ekwanya national security na moso no eya sefem enkoyie enu nti awie wo mu de wo madisrede fa sompa awia premto breka nkase aboso manato mampani John Dramani Mahama se eniema ekoso ewo man Ghana mu no eya sefem nto mampani sorry na onkeka ne ho na eniema ensem fata dia former ministers former MPs yedi yom no onkasantia so office na ban ni mu ho hwia animu animu ya omna no meyi ano senso national operatives enra anamontuo no mutu ye na ban se omubia eno so edom kuma ne de kyerese omu pesi omu hu sanse One more the kind ye bida, yeah, former finance minister, Kino Foriata, one Jojo ni poto, a Korea today no Kreko saying, Papaya na ba, what I say, baby, I'm rap, what the better. Now, a Kobani say, party be co-position, na party or beba no, at the Huna, and no slow share or Mumudia, any almost on sorry.
Yo. Nana ya da se ene wo mane ba wo dia bra ya busia wai aye nana ya twitwe wo no to yankra efemra shebadwafie na mom yankotie bra na dom kuma no won mo kasa awmra shebadwafie no senior press conference no koi.
Today, specifically at 5 a.m., Mr. Richard Japa was at it again. This time, he led armed men to the residence of Dr. Addison, former governor of the Central Bank. According to Japa, he had a warrant to search premises of Dr. Addison, his Roman Ridge residence. Again, when Dr. Addison inquired for him, he told him that he was looking for a vault, which to them, the man had some money, cash. They forced their way, overpowered the security, and entered his presence. This Rambo-style approach, this is the first time in the history of our country that governor of a central bank being subjected to such treatment. Very traumatic. In fact, at the end of their raid, they could not find anything. Unfortunately for the governor, some 10,000 cedis on his bed could not be found. So some of these hungry party foot soldiers that they use, who parade themselves as national security operatives, after all, perhaps not even being paid, and they use this opportunity to steal. The governor's wife's earrings and necklaces were also not traced. They couldn't be found. In other words, those operatives stole these earrings and necklaces. Ghana is a mature democracy and we should do better. 3 cars, official vehicle of the governor were also taken away, only to be informed later that they've been parked somewhere, so he should send his drivers to go and pick them. Around 4:30, a call came from this same Richard Japa.
I was on your turn and carry a minority leader, your my Ghana Mrashebadwafie, one more for Lazanda, Afenyo Markin.
Arawo sembi esiye e wo pepa bosomene na da so eye dunsia e won fimpimienu eni dun enkunumu na ni nyina da eni se ensentro ni ya na wodi anasale mi ya wa nase achi huntahunu Ahmed Swale Hussein ya de nipa bonfo bi ekwaje ne credit free nsem wa bra no wapon adwuma na ni kire ne fie akwato ne bro na chese ni gate wawura mu no na waje ne nkwa efiri nsem efie no akobe se ensie ne ebesi na ye kasai no atemo papa bia da ni wa yanyade ama ye nua bema no enam sayo so ema ensentrefo ekabom kokase batan ye no ewo my Ghana mu hase no metre Ghana Journalists Association ye twa ne tia efra ne GJ no wano kire sa ukoto sa aboa bi si unua so apam no na wo pam no ka kire ne se sori ye so enkasa sori ne so esanse ofri ne so ano na wadani e kire wo so eno samtino wade eto aban no anim eni prosifo nyina anim se asem no acha dodo ntine wanhwe na wan patent ne amfama ye nua ametsola wo bepedia wo mu edoma kwa kodru eye ECOWAS court batan na anche na prosifo keka wo ho ama ye kasaye nipa baako eyadia wonsa aso ne pan echi Daniel Owusu Krantin eni ne din dodo na afra na mache na ye kasaye no maboaboa wo ho edna kwa kwawura mu ewo Madina District Court ama enrada atemo ye ba ya ne se wofa no kwatwemu ewo dapo approach eye remand ni bi na nyakopon ya domo a April bosome de dikan no wase wramu akwakoto na semnie ne so asem de ya ka ho ama GJ ye trefo panyin ejani nuanom nyina ne ko na nimo e di statement krata tentente de ababonte munsem no ene se abasobode e na wode emma process adom ne titru ene eye Christian tete yo hono IGP ya foforo wa be ya fei asedane bi ni abasobode no wato edema DCOP Lydia don kwose ono so wa ya de aye hwehwemu ama ye kasa de wanya nyina so bi ene akomatoye mu bi se asem no benya tentene ne ede ama ye nua bema Hussein Ahmed Swale
Ayo mama na ni musam se for so boso me kro bia no. Ayo na mpempe no ana mantama wodo mienu ya santama ntamo ne nkran. Wo mo de mo ntintima nsuo eta eyiri fa wo mo yie pa. Ane nsuo petia ne se eyiri fa wo mo no eye befua. Na aka ho bi ama nad mo mpanyifo a wo mo ewo nkramantamu ahyase etu anamon. Na wore kokobo ama mama no. Tichiro ni adehia ewoga east kropon no masra sa ombasra pa yase wiasem de ohunu be pan wo hunu ni mpre no so na obi ya so ense no so se ensuo to ayira faye no ni nyina no ye kan na se kwa akogina Ghana fo yankasa ye dwumadi aya na ye die se yetoto nwura edgu gatamu ani adeade wasesa no no nyina no ye suban bone ensem fata wose yasesa ya dwene ade frisuo enam so nti ne wo besra pa se akato ne bro na ensuo ahyase se beyi ne tiwe no yenwase betumi atu anamopa na fa ya gata wodo emu osisiye no yebeyiye na atumi aboa ma nsuo tokora entumi nyiri enforma adehye
se na mo na mo fe djuma etie no abena ne public no edinsa wo so na ye bre oye ne ase eba kra na enkoba na kase nti abena nyina no ma mo nyina no Sompa de chechire emma me no kase ga easter do me kwa benya we ati wo guma e den kola wo school toto station and sorry na community 18 komo sane sensu na eba no ano ye tin and this time no ultimate chese a high bibi ensu eyiri anase a bibi a eyiri ensu ka krato ne na se bibi eyiri ye kra no and eho eyiri entine ye boko amamamuni nya so bia na no so enkanka no mo moti bia ya mark wo se ho flood prone areas no o no me ya hwe papa na eka menko anka o me fo mo japade efiwe bo no akobe ebusuafo na ye twem nsu no ento na kofa oyeni enfama.
I was on your turn and Kayaga East Municipal Director Dema Nadmo Admakuno or a set coffee or Saiki senior tenant canon watching no. Wapanye part to us so a chiremu, sir and nay, Wabasara pass, sir one mashasia adding she guaquama would near one batch one, and maraba to mini what decent say na efata.
Not more, yes, a more of prevention. We are not interested in relief. Relief, we can say a mere bonus. But I keep being an uncle in out of 100%, you know, like it's not to be 90 or 95. They say, you know, we don't focus much on the relief. And relief is about fine, but you won't pay say, you know, and Comanacasi. On my morning, a bansana, not more abuan was see. A gato baby woman, vessels are catchu, a way slam, baby, uncle, Fabo bones this year, baby. Gato no MPO mame elekulem anything I was so not open for any tier ministry and answer the state no eso ya sen e ma ko relief kakra den e de ma ho we ka say relief e de ma we aso problem na dabi ejake ngaya na kansi anasa kansi ya na kanye kesesa ntia no and not before e very much interested in it.
Afai wapanye patu aso echiremu arefana moto sonko na ne kire yada no one more share so de begu akwemu
Oko assembly piana na dufo ewo ho me ha ga is no kwa begay ye de me gwa kuma asase aye the sultan e titi mochibokam na selebe nso to abe bia ambassador akọ the best mo fo ne se nso to amafo take advantage ehwehwe bola wo se egumi box which means we dey a fresh ball pa ti me ni bia woni bo bisu a mo de na twa video no bia a journalist o kan on tia video no fama any assembly bia na se media house bia wo bia se be so mo bia so no emra e wo man ye no the say yam person would do with Japade and I will read a big consume now obi hobede e be kire no me no ka say ga east west department and that so e corals and yen fility bibia Japade this year enya si so kwanya no dan na bring na e bo mo say de ye wo dwuma e so kwani pay we be ne bi so de e be kan and dan na e ku so de e say Ghana fo nya discipline towards everything especially on sanitation lemwan.
I was on your turn and Kayaga East Municipal Director de Marnad Mojmakuno, one more for cert coffee or Saiki.
Afe yenkwaya nim na yenremo ewo efifi mantam swafo munyamfo ekwa watrepanyi eduam wanchen na panyi yakasa de tudwa se yero John Dramani Mahama His Excellency manpanyi brana wo bontoa apre o my enye o mapanyi adwa no wadi tuja wabra simpie ni apa bi obenya agina so bia ne dana no se woba se de atwrosam na ka ewo eye mebusem eti du nsia ne chichemu aduonu enso ekwa aduonu kro no se ensa enya adwuma no anidi na nananom so enwoma be ka cho se ensa ya enya adwuma no wobonsam ebo ne penti no wo hwe oh my god na mu mebu no ho kira e kire wonom wonam banchire na ekom won mesanse woni adwuma ye no a abai ne ba anwuma nkakra eya ade a wode eba na akuafo fam no ene enkokon ketenkete we ya poultry farmer ohia be se numedu ane ye de amount toa na botia na chese nkakra no akokọ bedum so na de apagya wo ho ewo sikasem na enam sayo so ama wadi dwumaso bi ewo University of Cape Coast mu ni nyina ne se wane eya nwumakuo bi ebeto kese na wo ho kwa pa obetimi afaso aboa ama sankokon ketenkete dwumadie aso adehye ye wo akuafo afemo ewo emfifi mantem ho wonmonyafo akwa ochire panyin wono eye emfifi mantem so afo dwumadie na se no woda sansem wesi ade de kire
Orin papa. Mi jira kwanje do. Mekachi anwa na why ready there. Wo be ye nkukon kisin bi there. Onya da yeso na de nkukon mo. Onche bia ye baka kan wana wen waju na abo ano. Ye de wa ba University of Cape Coast mu wa chisen wo nkukon wo ho ye ma brooding. Oya da nkukon baba no. Mesi ma bobo no be am wenyin. So nti da mo so a ye be sa ba. Ye de ba ma universities na wana wotu wo ye brooding. Wo ye wi depend on what type. So ye lay or so ye cockle so ye den yo. Biro obedi no wadu madam bre na wo ho aso na apa. Ade be hia na ya sede. Onam da ye pede mbobi no wo su adwuma no huni na nti eduma baba mu ebusu adin kakanka yesha professor ofi university obey ya mesim wa cheche na webu e won tobe ma mi jira kwanje do mekachi anwa na why ready there wo be ye nkukon kisin bi there onya da yeso na de nkukon mo onche bia ye baka kan wana wen waju na abo ano ye eduma ba university of Cape Coast mu wa chisen wo nkukon wo ho ya ma brooding oya da nkukon baba no mesim abobo no be ya mu wenyin so nti da mo so a ye be sa ba ye de ba ma universities na wana wotu wo ye brooding wo ye wi depend on what type so ye lay or so ye cockle so ye den yo biro obedi no wadu madam bre na wo ho aso na apa ade be hia na ya sede onam da ye pede mbobi no wo su adwuma no huni na nti eduma baba mu ebusu adin kakanka yesha professor ofi university obey ya mesim wa cheche na webu e won tobe ama ye de kwan bi adon yembra ne ye mosu adin ho
Ebusia ensem de ye ya tadwufo wa abadia makuafo ni titu ni poultry farmers ahodo ya wonum ewo emfifi mantem no ena onmonyafo ekwa o ochire panyi eduamoa emfifi mantem soafo wada na didi akire no
Jonia no wo do mekwa benya bato ampa so yon monyamfo Sarah Dwasafo na wode atu dwache se wiasem sane sane wasase ne drumra bia aya no no wankasa ne party man wo mpa nokure so de wono enam se yeso ka nokura wo ngunti wo beka na Ghana fo nyina ehunu bi na wo hwemu a afempemienu ne aduonu 2024 abato ma Ghana yakoto santene se yekokromotia no na yakotintimi ya 100% ayira John Dramani Mahama edin kunim ewo no wose NPP amanyokuo no nioma bi won mo ne nkoyie kura na yera Michael Kwe wo misa ne hwan sade be pa ne ba ya wono Sarah Dwasafo tena akonya so mfinhia makoma kodumienu na de hia ntimi yantu ne da na mmamuo yera Michael Kwe ya so de ne beba e na afedi ya ba betunuo wose were nyina no akwakoya se ase osofo abro be no na ewo nipa bi na na hye kuntu na sia na wo pese wo yi wono no Sarah Dwasafo firi wonom na ne nyina no wo bi a eba sobo ne nyina no yemfa mo NPP empanyimfo
optimi betro chapter 1 on fa the report no number first page number 1 chapter 1 why my son lost Domiko Abenya on kire ye nienti a ne ba ne reye otimi kire ye nienti a sita ye winning with 30,000 margin ne ba ko gina no no wakoton seat ne dia ma ND a ya report otimi kire ye ya ni obeka fa Dr. Baumia hu bia ebeji atum na nte sa na obegina ho na te se no omo ne nam omo bobo pono se ye de beso Baumia se Baumia nti ne ye re ya niam yi anke ya nkra dia ma omo de ba no omo meka ne nti adome kwa benya ye re Professor Michael Kwe we de ne man ne ba ne mfiso wo we hu ye mfa adwuma we nhye ne sa papa na mu ye bu no ye respect no we the energy minister we the communication we the ambassador where the speaker ni die ewo wudini no ho inte report na wo de ba no hwe se wo de oba ne die no ne no kura ewo mu a wo de lusu ye no betro wo bia ba tro ba wo me ade aka na komzi we ya party no ye pe obi ama na konhwehwe mu obi a ne ba re ye ne backyard de kura eja da ho ne credibility we means rather make out da bio wo backyard wan kasa wo fie e ho ahye
One can say what the jadam. What's it free with Yaho, a quo be the way? I am Mamma Sarah Joasa for maybe a chumwo. Now I am Rasha Johnny de Mardosia. I want to make Quabinia abato and persuaso.
Ọmai bi achiri bramo baako eye apomden ho nsem sanse nipa ya wo ọmai ni mu no wa apomden ho nsem no ekokwa ho kwan so a na eboa aban no wabra wo ye adwuma ama aban no ajejeto ede abompuntu dwuma ede ama wonom ewo man mu enam sa yoso yeso baakofo wala dra egu dodo na ne ya na aban ya sabia no ene doso nanso no esanse da ne da ene akoso ejewa kwode na wo na wa hene yire nso de BP so ene na de panso so de etato akoso ago aboaje no ono so ede num aka ho enam sa yoso ye kwa ni mo nipa no edoso aya sabia no so akwakoye kakra bi ntino ama ankurankura ni ku ahodo bi nso eso asene sebeya aban no so hon ben ha no sanse eya pempi na no ye twobo na se wansom bia na echiegu na Global Media Foundation ye trinity aka no Gromef wonom ene anti-corruption media advocacy ekoba akoye no so ensha bayase wonom atokese esia ya sabia otramodin clinic kula na wade emma bawa ene mrantie womomo adolescent age no ewo sunya no kropon mane no kwada abefo kwan ya wo faso didwuma ya ene enam so ama oman nyina da etumpon no Ghana ye de ho ahyem esanse nipa nyina da se wo mo eyemoa ewo kwan bi so anasa wo so wankwada ne bia wo wia no mbechiwa winti no abefo kwan ya ye fade age empuntuo ede abra ya brabom no mo sesi dan kokro ya wo mahihye fidie dodo na so ewo mo ni nyina da eba bebo adolescent age fo a won mo sunwa ne kropon ni mo na abusia yenkwai na yenko enkotie ra Simon panyi ba ko ya wono so ekakwo yi ho bra na wonom ebia no no ensam dodo a wona Sompa kasefo ebofa ho ni
ye bie IT clinic say by ya be recruit adolescents from time to time for training the clinic now and I send the health clinic account and your IT clinic by send the health clinic account now health clinic no me dinama adolescent well-being at the far omopomode won say pimpi no nkola na mo problem bi a omontimi nka omo na awofo tena sa omontimi bi ko omotiti nti but omukọ baby fufu omotima aka their help nti sa adolescent health clinic na ye bi no ye the psychologist and a nurse ni ama mo betena ho say be ya nkola no how bia ewo mo ho no omotima akọ ka kire sa psychologist no ana nurse ni na oye adwuma ho no nti the far omo well-being time bia na emotional psychological problem bia how mo no omotima aba cycling no psychologist na nurse for ya dey talk no omotima explain amamo omotima ebo mo
Ebusiania wakasa ye Citizens Watch Ghana NGO ko ba ko ya wonum ka Gromef no ho no na ye ne no edi enkomo no wonpanyi Yera Simon asori na eno ekire no na wasai ede ensem wese eto aso no eye botaya etech report intie napsa yoso wotimi eya de fefe
Resilience City project for Sunyane municipality na project na ya botaya ne Sompa FM kwan ya be faswa Sunyane be ye tie bia nkola ye die e be koso ma ho nti project na ya no ya pillars ba ko ye adolescent parliament no and no ejinama political aspect I use nkola no e gather information na omo hia say policy makers etime address em omo e wo municipality no na ya san wo pillar ba kwa economic empowerment no so no ye job creation skills training na ye mabuno a ma nko school especially teenage mothers are motivate na ye ba o ma school no so a ye hu say this time no ye global world na global world na bibia sisi ya IT ye ba be IT clinic no etime bua nkola mo school
Nia yetinin ken Citizens Watch Ghana NGO ko ba ko ya waka eye Global Media Foundation ho no na okasa ye kendifo no Yera Simon asori enidin
Ayabana botana ni swade hono kese so ma Ghana ngomasua ebetumi afa ne ntuma pa ade afra naso se kwaba no se ngomasua no toto apia na ya hadwene ye pa arawo sam no se na wokọ kofia jai senior high entakana school mu a enhwemo kire mu sa enkoda no amaninya ane atete ya wo na mu nya semketo ma ne nyina na akwa baabi a wombeda baabi a wombetena na won masua de amomasum adwo mo aka wo bi ama headmaster ya wono ada sukuu no ano owre benoza ofosu aboaje wane semtrofo akasa wase aboa ne ntakra na mane yakasi o na so takra wadie fanyinam kwatere kwa sansa mane a wo mu hunu no ano den ye pa ya wono asre aban se wonya bibi mfa ho na wo nso asum entumi nwe wo mo
School in Sabre in Kodampe Miansa, your school high. Ye need computers near a book computers and home a buying ye nibi. And your bassa at a telephone person which and Kodai, Abe for computer ye and home NMDR. Now call your how can sepa at your mind. I have Faquania way so swasser and penny for say. All bet me up why me have computers and home accessories. Ye better almost sepa. I've been your tosum, can you do my high and waha? Ye need tanks a cassia, ye boon suono at the gumo na yedum kanea yentimi pompin so a amayetimi anya ensuo no bi asa enti yedum kanea pe amunum ho a no na ye ho akere enti yesere o mo se tansa kese a yebetimi dia bu ensuo agumu na ebase yedum kanea yebetimi anya ensuo no donhwere mienu miensa edaba akoda mienu no yensa kan bi firi o mo ho a yebeda o masepa na ne twato eye dormitory ensoso ye ho kere yen botimi koyemwa na yetimi nya dormitory mankoda no nso nya ba bi da yebeda masepa yesere urade se mudwumadi a mudi nyina no awrade nso so mbie mahye mu ento mo nkwa na mu na ne amuzu mu hia mo betime di aboan no da o masepa afa ni etoso mienu kanea dundum ha yen wa ha yeni tanks akese a yebu nsuo no ede gumu na yedum kanea yentimi mpompi nsuo a amayetimi anya ensuo no bi asa enti yedum kanea pe amunum ho a no na ye ho akere yen enti yesere o mo se tanks akese a yebetime di abu ensuo agumu na ebase yedum kanea yebetime anya ensuo no donhwere mienu miensa edaba akoda mienu no yensa kan bi firi o mo ho a yebeda o masepa na ne twato eye dormitory ensoso ye ho kire yen botimi koyemwa na yetimi nya dormitory mankoda no nso nya ba bi da yebeda masepa yesere awrade se mudwumadi a mudi nyina no awrade nso so mbie mahye mu ento mo nkwa na mu na ne amuzu mu hia mo betimi di aboan no mo nsa kan yebesu frɛ mu a mo de asere yen ye da mpanifo a edi dwumadi nyina anim asepa ka se nyame nhyira mo
Yada sepaka senyame nhyiramu wei aye Rebenoza ofosu aboaje na yatena nkano kofia ja senior high wano na headmaster ya wadano
Ababeto Josa ababa webi akwakohwe asede de egu ne boyfriend na kanchima ne mpena so adanye ne type na akwakoye se school fees ene enso ne suban ne nsa no na omane we se de opema papa na chese vera o chese da bi se dem sini wa bre wasi abu mi sonfo pa ma kwada pie mu de maintenance na me no te da ba ko mekwa beba na chese oba sha ase na me pamu ma sa wa bre enti ene enkwa wie yo wa hwi acid e de agu ne so ama brant ne ba bi a woda no ene enyan pa wa ko pie mu kolebu aban ya sabia eja ya hwe yenkwa uma no soe asem no kofodua circuit court wo akwatenase e wo ho ama brant ababa wane yakase no wo kyerese wa mane bele yenua be ma kwabranya akogoti yenkan wie prime to breakers so e wo eye Sompa 106.5 FM yamu wa ha amu akwaba
mejo so menua eba
be ma na pom ti sen
nyakopon adom obodi ache
asem no sen e na asi akwakowie
menua ba me se asem no ne tentene tietiawa enyina no ene ese abrantia me no kase yehwi acid ede gu de so no one abaywa no atena beye afe ene pono emre ekakra enie na eye nyisen ebemu anti abaywa no nya akwanya isane sene yehwe no ena abrantia de kaso aja ene bana betra me nchen se beye betimi atena impo emfa wo se menya ho ade adonti obayo no so etu betena abrante nchen na mre kakra entem no kam ye se ade achi ade se minti me ho ase man homlo so awo abrante no enimpo no abayo no entema na enye fedi agro ekura na abrante ye ka na asem no wadi fe no ese Daniel Omane awonya fisia adunu enkron sa so na abayo ye ka na se fe no Vera Akosua Asare enunti afi atwa mu November bosom no emu no ɛna ɛyɛ ade no ne kɔ yɛ nyane no nti na sɛ fata sɛ ɔmo mmienu obiara etu akɔtena ne baabi a ɛte fata ɛno nti Daniel ɔmane ɛkɔmpo akɔhan dan ɛde ama ɛyɛ Vera sɛpo no ɔntena mu sɛ na do betumi ɛde ahwɛ akɔla a waba wɔn ntam a sɛsɛ no wanya mfinhyia mmienu no ɛna Daniel ɔmane ɛda hɔ obi nim adwenbɔne a ɛba Vera etirimu ɔhyɛ da kɔfa acid ɛkɔhwie ɛde gu ɛyɛ Daniel ɔmane ɛso a saa bere a me no ɛkasa sɛ wɔhwɛ mfoni a ɛwɔ hɔ a na kyerɛ sɛ ne nipadua no deɛ nka me ayɛ sɛ neɛ ɛwɔ ɛsoro no deɛ baabi biaa ayɛ kɔɔ akyɛ sɛ be aboa bi a ɔmadwa a ɔmayi ne honam ɛde afi hɔ no nti ɛno ada yi ɛna circuit court ɛna wɔ Kufuor-Dua ɛkɔ asetena na asetena no emu no ɛna court no bɛto dwa ɛkyɛ bi sɛ Vera a yɛka no sɛ wodi sɛ nyina baasɛm no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmutumi ɛma no bail ɛsiane sɛ akɔla a ɔne Daniel no ɛwoyɛ no akɔla no ɛnyiiɛ nti na ɛho bɛhia ɛsɛ wobɛtumi ahwɛ akɔla ne mpom no ɛbrɛ pɛ mu March bosomi ne de ɛtɔ so aduonu enum no wasan so bɛpie mu ɛwɔ Kufuor-Dua circuit court sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ atɛnie no ɛbɛtumi akɔ ɛso nti me no kasa ne deɛ ɛyɛ ade a court ama no bail ne mmom no ɔda to dwa akyɛm sɛ March bosomi ne de ɛtɔ so aduonu enum no ɔmmra mɛpie mu sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ atɛnie no ɔmbɛtumi atoa so na no ɛna ne maame akɔ aberanteɛ Daniel ɔmane ɛmaame de kotosrɛ ɛto panyinfoɔ anim sɛ adaworoma efi bere asɛm esiiɛ no ɛka paa ɛna ɔmabɔ ɛde fi Eastern Regional Hospital Kufuor-Dua ɛde akɔpiem ɛwɔ Kwalabu nti adaworoma ade hyɛ ɔmo te ɔnka no ɔmo mmerɛ na ɔmo bɛbɔ sɛ na bɛyɛ a ɔne ba no ɔmo bɛtumi ahia 60,000 Ghana cedis ɛde akɔpiem ɛwɔ Kwalabu na mpo no operation so ɔmo tumi ɛyɛ no no ɔmo atumi ayɛ no
Ghana omumwaye ne twempra no na one ne banyem ye na omowoye ti omowoye no aka bia busuafo bo no otuaye ti ne hu chen na onya busumi miensa no na so opese obetra ne chen na obefa ne kotena ne chen ti ne chen na wo me ba ne kwa adwuma ne wagya ne ho osi okotwempra me ba ne pie kwa na dafofo so okotwempra oba me ho kra na ofrefre no ahomete o me ba ne pie kra osi hey ba adwuma na obekọ osi wache ne tade nyina kro yiguo ehye no seso onye bi sha na obepie enti de twato ene November aye besi December mu no ko stock asie bi ekoye dede wo ho se me ba ne pran bi wo ho a onimu no ne classmate ode ni ko school ena osi oh asem wi de se etwa kwan mu intimi ene wontra bio na ye de ne koma ne busuafo ne ma mi se oni dan me ba ne koji dan ma no enti osi okoda no nyane a na wato matress no e de ama no me ba ne koda ya na no de acid ne kogu ni so te ho no tietie mu ana fiera etie ye no befa ne ko hospital ti okoda central 2 months ya okokwalebu so 2 months ni ya enti se ya pem ti mesra Ghana
ni obre ena odie wabrenya na de Vera trese omane Daniel edenensa ehyebuase onhumu obi nkekente no wahwie asede de agu ne so na abrantia Daniel omane ne maame anu disem ena yetie wabra de dikan no yenua be makwabrenya ko wɔhyɛ ase edemaye yeto aso
abusoye to aso ne aguso da ware hosemu wokwa hafoma ntamu aye bechem ane adui kwa ebretuo ye won ma ban na hwase e bebo ho ban no ya tese kuo mienu bi akwa akowura mu ama wo mu ankasa atwa mu de ntokwa chenche no wapa ahanta mu amawi akire no enipa makomakom yensa akrabo aka wo mu a wo mu afrimu ba konso prepre mu oden ya enei wada aban ayaresabia ya won mo ehwe no yamarebo ne Beneza awusu ansa eto ansem so
se wo bepie mu ewo bremi a bremi no eye kurokuma a ehye Tano South abato mbeso aso a omahi nkuro ani bechem na wo ahafo mansini mu ena saa nkuro mienu nyina wo na bremi eho na maburu bi a omufri bechem ena afenso so omani bremi fo no ede akokese ani wo forest bi a ewo bremi kuro mu na eye the survival of the fittest eho ena omanfo bi no kire omubobre efa ekwa ombefa so ombe to forest bi so wure ewo saa epom ho de eho ye bia enkofo edise adwumadie ni pa na enu adane yanti asem de ebo bese no na apam sime aduasa enwotwe mu ho no ena nkra beto odwa se emaburu ko mienu bi akwakọ kanse ni a meche o makwakọ edi ntokwa chenchen so akwakọ hie mu wo forester ewo breme a che se aka hu bi amani pa mienu ato na miensa ato na nanom wonsie do no so a baako ka ho no so no prepare more dey de na ba be piem e wo konfa no che abanya resebiam na wabra yeni nkofo bi mo didi nkomo ebusa de kodie poti a ekofa sa crash ba ya wo bu kire mu se enuatwa ho a che se tik bi a yedua no kodwo kwate ya pen so na wo mu nyina ayo madwen se wo mu kwakwa na nam se baako ete ho na baako ba betwa no na eye omu ye o madwen se enya de so mba mo betimfo no kwan kra mo ma ba betwa nua no eno ti kan obi mo ye o madwen se wo mu susu so mo ti sa epom ho no nko ade wo mu su betwa nua no na betimfo no susu pese o mu betwa eni ti kofa sa atinwa ase ne mentemo ase bai ema etututu okoso na nam se wo bi so che ba kunti no enipa miensa na o mu edi o mu djuma ekam betim emaburu no ho no eya ade se etu okika sa enipa miensa ema o mu to anana no mo nse do ba ko so na o ka ho so pre mo den a sese am no kasa ne de dina be piem e wo konfa no che aban yaro sabiam na enka ne che se ne ye nnua eho ena no wo mu pra wo mu sa group yi mienu no ba ko eti be defeat ba ko a akwakoya ahomtesem ama adehye bi ma emu ho na sa ahafo mansini mu de akwakoya se group na e wo ho no enuatwa ene ensikansem no e ya de se edo so wo ho a obi wo ni kuro ma obo ho ase ba ko ato no se oba ba betwa nua ho na akwakofa ntokwasem e de aba enu bi ene ekosi wo bremi a sisi amono ka se nipa miensa ato na nanu mo nse do a wo mu nyina afiri betima wo mu susu wo tano south abato mpeso no so eti sisi amono ka se de ye de nipa miensa aba ba betim government hospital a aposifo aso asem no mu a wo mu ye mu hwehwemu eno achi nsusu no ba ko no prayer ye nenam se prana no odi ni nti no ye de na ba be piem wo konfa no chi aba yaro sebem ye to so bi mu nsusu no se aposifo a wo mu tano south mensini no mu nsusu ya de se wo mu nsusu no ati wo mu hoguma wo ma cha se ye hwehwemu na fe so mrantie na wo mu nsusu edi se adwumadi no wo mu pe wo ma chi wo mu wo sa epomo eti dia akwakosi wo bremi a e wo tano south abato mpeso aso e na mede ho ama ne bo e dia bro ebineze wo so ansa ama ne bo no
Ebenazo wo so ansa ama ne bo na yakoti yi
afei yentu na yemfa ye nkyeremu ewo eye yedidie mu esanse na enipa eni adaje na wonya ne ho twabrente no eni empepi na no kufa hyewe ye bedru fie nwumre no aduane a wo no ayesisi ana abe na so no se starch ne chese ne den se de esitie ne eni ewudi wi age se be se 3 hours ansa na watimi enya ho twabre kakra wo yefunu no eno ana nansan yeguso ayedie na a doctor for ne wonom nim de aben ewo eye didie mu wonom akasa ede akire ye bi kire se kwan ye faso edi se nuane ene anadwodidie ni titiri no enya ade a etimi bo ya pomden ho nsem ye tete sansem wesem ne yese da bi sompa kasefo ye ntena ye to so we akache ase no mka ye nsan hye dam ni femu na ye meka asem ne wanam sa ye so nti no ye te ye ho gumonten so ye ne Ghana fo no madehye no binom atwetwe enkomo bisa mo se aso anadwodidie ya mudi bi na mabusuafo nso e mudi nso asen ene sitie ewo mo se ye anase nya yentie
therefore beda was anano pay jumede kese a ode abadom ye no kwasem ni se anadwodidie no enye betuma kodu fie 9 to 10 anam se komodo na yira adwane so wo se wodi ba woda ho anwumre anadwo be 2 to 3 kono tumi se no man na nambo dia se wo se okesu kro na untumi nkesu obesora no pa na adna mo ayekoche untumi nya hweye no aye basa te basa wo kofomese mo adu be bubu nso mo no ma untumi se wetumi anya ho odin kakra ti anadwodidie ni de according to me ni de enye esamu afunu ye kese tinanse mu no me hondo do me kakra ma me ko hospital ma doctor cheme se eno ne anadwodidie ana metumi asolo nso akọ morning training na bisa na nso betuma won tisem didie na adwo amenya ba be 2 weeks 3 weeks ni no miti the doctor kan e bi enyu me ko da metumi di ko du otamelo menya bia mato na me de anka kakra ka ho e ba se me se me yefunu no etumi aba fom kakra timi continue ya mtu se bebo am tanadwodidie de no kwasem ni me pese ne de ene de doctor fo kan de a se tired de ayenya na emfa hoden emre nipa
so but anadwodidie enye ko di kura mo Africa se tika benya obo favorite dia naka eno anu anadwodidie enye ampa anadwodidie de enye se adama mpontem timi pon bia 11 ana se tengu me ko na se mi didi ade chi ana ma emre se me ba adwuma me timi dansa bi wo kwa mpese me ye adwuma ti de me ka fa wono se anadwodidie de enye manipa afuta be mo mo didi anadwodidie enye e ba ya wo munyan bota didi anadwokra ma ntem ya bia wo ya dwuma kra se wonni ahontem bia wonya fit asama me so metima aka oh me de ameta didi ebu wo didi na nansi meto ade chia wo sora wo aso wo ya that why am bete why style bi me am tazan edwen wo se ho se mi jai ba me so mi jai me ma hu se aboa mpa
na dwa didi muslim na at times aso doctor for kwa che se enye because of say cholesterol na wo adwane no mu no especially kusu akra ya chi se wo tedi na dwa emmo ni padua because of cholesterol na ewu mu na ya cholesterol kwa at times kwa entime digest udi ya na okoda tipa den ka benya at least one day intem kula be 5 to 6 day with the 36 kula dey na mo be 8 na ka koda eno no normal ko last me dey na do ho kire pa me run sa komsa dey chin na gidi dey mo ni padua that's
asama me so metima aka ameta didi ebu wo didi na nansi meto ade chia wo sora wo aso wo ya that why am bete why style bi me am tazan edwen wo se mi jai me so mi jai me ma hu se aboa mpa
Wa saboa ne pa wo my Ghana de hye no binom na wono nso so ato wanum tuo de akere de afa anadwodidie sania esitie e wo wabrabo akwantuo no wasetene mu no na won kasa no achi no Sompa kasefo yeto ato ahoma so ene dietitian me kire wo bia ono kire e de fa edidie ho ma me mata Lois edu adesen yene ne kwotwetwe enkomo ebisa no yentie wono so ensem no sania ne de no esiti awotoma na yen
anadwodidie no emmoaye anadwodidie nye kura ti say ye dwen apetria there some 40 years ago ye mpenimfo no abrosua by 6 no mwedidie wi those times jebidie ni ade no between 4-5 na nimpa no kura parke nti ukokra wonye bi but organization ni ade abeninti amen ne 12 midnight kura obenye aduane edi eno nyina ka ho na amasisia diabetes, hypertension, cancer, ulcers, any ade nyina eguso. Nti late eating ne de enye. Nyankopon ayen say abuswa between 8-9 no wa start say woda. Nti during that time no na ade ase wodidi a etume nyam aduane ne ma aduane no body ni use no. Aye fa metabolism no e slow down. Nti in the first place wodidi anadwo a because metabolism ne slow down no into me digest. Nti rather na ferment and ferment so emmoaye
enu echi no mama mata Lois wa mana no ensi wada wasai eto so e de enkyerɛkyerɛ ene afutuo sei e de ma my Ghana de hye
sisi anuane achichichichichichi ni ade na abaso nti ne ebehwɛ nse se bia obi based on ejuma na ne work schedule nti on didi before 5 and 5:30 abuswa na 6 anajudia so kwako didi after 6 p.m. Esa ye either a vegetable and a proteins ebi ni se bia vegetable salad ye de cucumber tomatoes onions garlic money ade na bia fish and chicken and meat they afra edi aye eduane nti se nipa ni kodidi late in the night and no aye we don't advise but once in a while bia na say bia se wo ko party bia because sure so obedi more vegetables se wo nkate almond cashew ni ade a eno so nipa ne betumi di ana yogurt na ha and bitter cocoa protein bit say nkosia ya anua chicken kakra fish kakra na bibisa in the night no enha no so that anopa no obesori no na blood ni mo no the sugar level no was steady and as the sugar level no was low but you could didn't need to say be fufu banku fried rice indomie money agenda in the morning no because the sugar no it should too high our blood ni mo
Oba penyi ya wodi wani tremu ewo Shapes and Ideas Health Services wono eda ano ewo ho kyerɛkyerɛ didie ekwan pa ya efaso a ebetimi abo ni pedua no mame Matalois edu adesen ena yetie no afa ye hwɛ enu achi ya da ya de bedan mo ewo ye kase eboso esa wodi wani kyeremu ewo miamia hodo ewo my Ghana ma se ni titru ni asante matam kropo kumasimu a eni ahyentuade lori friend no akwaso papa wa bra GPLTU eya hyenkafo kubatan ya mo ewo my Ghana ma se no no won fa won sa ensha se ma wo bekasa wo ho na enu achi no Spare Parts Dealers Association so ebekasa ye se wo ye hyenkani ana se emetini na se wo twehyen wo passenger betene mu ene 20% increment ye de ato so nte no wo gi sika ne bi aka ho aya na watwetwe break kakra passenger fo no so mo hwe ena mo antua se sika no amfa ma wo no yenim se ato wo no maso mu se krokro da John wo no bod bongalat de akwakoto ba bi kura ye kasei yenua ba wa bedu ewo ahoma ne so yenko na ba wa ento asoma ye sane ansam no esiti a kire se kronom nature se barka se kwa so krampo de wo no ma hyeda atotomu a sei ena etie
Michia Sompa FM atiefo nyina awian mede wadwuru asantemantem ahenkro kumase ebre mu de se ye nyina ye beka ya be se bre kakra ni ena ahyenkafo a omutwihyen ewo Ghana afana ba bia edin sekantam se omohwe se ne omudwumadi na asia ya omo pese nka ahyentiade no omutum na no ne ka ho bie ma Sompa nsentrofo ye bo anan ko monten so ne ye ne a passengers for omo faka ni bi edi nkomo ne ye bi so omo se sansemi a ahyenkafo ekan no sai no musigi no na omo kire mu se ebre mu de omo ankasa omo bu omo dada na nya afi no omo beye so omo pese omo tumu ha mu agupen aduonu esai so ntino omo de Oma kantam se so omo ye omo anyo so omo betum dia ene omo beye ye kire chinchin chepa de ati omo eno na Beno kase ahyenkafo bia wo ye adwuma efri Abrepo Junction ekobare kese kwan so omo efri ase a wo hwa bia yanka wo so omugi 350 pesos ni sia omo atum eko 380 pesos baabi nso de omo de 4 cedis baabi nso wo so omugi 6 cedis no a sia omo atum a omugi 6 cedis 50 pesos eno na aka ho bia ma passengers for omo fashion ewo bare kese ede ko Abrepo Junction kwan no so ene omo atresen se GPR2U ena for Ministry of Transport so anke kom ho ameka bibia ncha ahyenkafo a omo sa kwan no so a ene omo betu omo ho fopa ewo kwantempon no so na no ene no omo kasa ye no na omo kire mu se ede a kire nsentrofo
ade adorafo ne ye nde ye ntia se kra ye mpene so ba akokra ni nya ne se omo ntumu 20% nkra na omo bo ya po ene se Ufi Junction besina ko Sofia anka normal circumstance na ye 5 cedis Junction to Sofia 5 cedis na so ene di aba ne say omo bo no short omo say Junction to Boshen 3 cedis 50 pesos utie ya wa say me to aso no so a on to aso nkosi Sofia wo sa ase abronsa ase so no age e ho so fair 2 cedis 50 pesos ene odu abronsa so say ye to aso biemo Oshim anase utiye ye dia no nya driver bi wo se abonsase to Sofia ene mo na so ye oshim odu oshim a sa to aso se okọ Sofia ehonum no free Junction to Sofia no twa bro 10 cedis mi wan so nka normal lorry fare ne 5 cedis na we nyina ti mo se abeka ye se mo betum 20% a ye ti mamufo ne ye full car no ye ne mamo ye driver so ti mo ye sa ye so ye beko demonstration dia mo abanka so atufu mu am se mo ye demo no sa ne so ye na ye full car ne so ye be demo sa enye sa dia GPRT for omumre man ya ban
Busia ya twansem no so we ya manebo a yenua be ma ba wa bedu woton kra no fra santimantem kropon kumasimo ede eba ye fashion tedua binom ahyase etotom 20% ne ho
Aria Promtobaka Siabon was so ya wutie was Sompa 106.5. Yodam nyina mo se amamwa yiko. Yodam live uko Facebook na so Aya Sompa 106.5 FM. Afa YouTube no. Aya Sompa FM live. Wapensa bi so no waken kan feed gadochia. Wabako www.sompaonline.com. Ansam no nyina yansam for panyina kruche de go won mo a wobanya bi na waken kan. Afa affiliate a wodo wan mo fire kase boyi. Wokọ Kumasi Ayiko FM wan mo ewo ho. Afa Kumasi kro no Sompa FM 93.1. Wan mo fa kase boyi ebi ewo ho. Takra de takwa sunyane Tachiman nkranza ana fe doma wan mo nyina demo live ewo ho no mo adehye no etie damo nyina mo ase adam wase afa ye ko agokansie mu ensemu Nyankropo yadma wachina na yesha ni Musa the Blasters of Ghana. One more awokensi yeshonku a wane Chad national team no ebebono betumi abasuo. Na nyina no 2026 World Cup qualifiers no and yesha ni mu. Sanyame yadma wachina nkonimdie betumi aya Blasters adia. Na akan bi ama mampanye John Dramani Maham.
So 2026 idie eyade owo gidie ne arehemu ewo wonom ne sansa Ghana fo nyina da ato wachitaye ede amom pampi se suku ne ne bag de aka ede Ghana Blasters for ene ahofama ene se obema won ho so wani aba won ho so ewo ball boy ya wo bo no gidie se wobetimi adi nkunim na wawuramu ewo 2026 World Cup ya ekoso no qualifies ni mu.
Here on behalf of all Ghanaians, as the President of the Republic, to just cheer you on and encourage you. Ghanaians have had their hearts broken by the fact that with this, so it takes sacrifice, it takes strength. We all like to watch you when you play for your teams, and we expect that you bring some of that dedication to the national team. Playing for the national team is not as lucrative as playing for your individual teams, but still that sense of pride and patriotism that your nation, has gone to the World Cup is something that is worth dying for. And so before you start the qualifiers, let's put the AFCON debacle behind us and let's look forward and know that we can redeem ourselves. I know that in the World Cup qualifiers, you're going to redeem yourself. So we play and we
Ye ene se eyade akomase kropo meyo wone empanyimfo ya wonom so tuatua hyenkafo ekuo ano ahodo no wonom edi enhyiemu edi kasese edi afa ho de ebefiri mu atobia ne yehyemobo se enwumre no nsia brem kase no ye fa nkame mu se ye pin kura no a moni ebefa so ewo kase yi emu
afeye mono nsam ana yewramu yi ana ukwa Ethiopia man mu a yanya ntia sa aya wo mo ba se ba ko ya na free Oromia ewo mu a kwa wo mo kropo kase Addis Ababa mu no nipa bonfo ne achiatodom ko bi akwa akwato ahye won mo so afọ manfo ya no mo teka ne mu nyina no mum ya sebrei adehye ne aya won mo totontoto pa na wo kwa Ethiopia man mu antia ya yanya no e kire mo sa won mo achiatodom ko bi a ya friend say Oromo Liberation Army ekoba no sa no na mpanyifo de won mani abu sa tuatodom kuai wom na di sa dwuma no a enam won sa so amani papepian koma yenhunu won ma kira kwan ewo kro ne mu aka wo bi amekuo no so de krata ba e kira sa nya wo mu o wo manim na sa akoroma na so mo nchen kokoma sane Ethiopia man no won ma sha asere tere won sa wo mo so no se wo mani nka ma mo nchen so na wo mo ama mekasa anhwa mpanyifo bekasa agya ya nomfo na aka wo mo ho na nso na nya wo mo a enti wo mbesere pa se wadie wo mo nim wo hwe wo mo nsane wo manim bibia ye fita ya bibia ntumi enkoso ya kasa die wo hwe mo a university fo ya wo mo ya adesuafo a wo mo ka adehye a won mayera na se ya fa wo mo nomu ho e wo Ethiopia man mu no abambofo guso ada ya won mo ye wo mafam die sane be ya enu mo betumi awie pɛ na faceafo no a hunu won ma kira kwan no onsa ebetumi aka wo mwe abusua ye gina so na ye de asi messages ahodo a aba no yemfa entoa so emfa mamo tew messages no Robert yadawase Robbie na Yao Bernard Ashes one so be born in some shra edema ye nana yo wade panso die ne was the voice sounds familiar yadase why afenso so Joe Afo was it na ada na yenyin wo terawan so ana afenso so Joe Okro na was it akosua wo sports ni news wadawroma Patrick enso so edienie was it Sompa mo branch ne bi wo Kumase ana ye wo ba bia yeguso atratra yakwa bam si ebedru ba bia so Kumase ebi wo ho na yankwa we enso so ediemu wo hene na mensa je bi edienie was it voice ne ye kama mummo ene adwuma na afenso so yenhwe we na na kwa mo aboaten ablekuma central eno ne die free was galamse no sane yesi bi ha yenhwe ne yakwa ebretuo no enya asem keto akora ompanyifo antonwa na mowa dache dia sem ebeba na yenhwe die di wo Jeremiah enso die ne was sweet news Sompa all the way na afiase edu enso die ne was yaba na Beatrice enso so kasa was wo hene yire welcome to Accra o yama wakwa aba papa na anti bi ena kasa wo show live every ensawem Joseph Entry was Sompa mummo ane adwuma abusan ye gina so na somewhere bobo no nyina sa wia promtoba kase bono yensamfo panyora prince ataboache nam so semu adema yen no ya dane ni nyina adiagu na fe ya sore konya so na live band atwa so na somewhere de bramo no eni ani mu ni bini
Abusia ebeto jo se wode wani kiremu ewo eye mfimfin mantam soafo wonom eni UCC eye suapon no atokesa wo ba beboa akuafo ya wode wo ho ahye enkokoyen mu
Afenad mo panyimfo so abogana fo nyina akokose nsuo no ba shase atoto enti anya hwe
Yero John Dramani Mahama ekwakosra Ghana Blasters for wabrana wonom eye training ewo eye Accra Sports Stadium.
Anadom kuma ye wo mrahye wodwafie so ne centralfo kasadia fa former Bank of Ghana governor na wodano nipa bia wonom ekọ ne fie no eho. Ebusia we ne nsema wodo na ka ho. Ananuano mienu. Yatena sese won konya ye de baba somo na ye na yaboafo nyina se school fees ken ene apam dada ena fe so krampo no Jeremiah ene won mom kaka ho ye da won ase da mo ase na administrator ene wo boye chidom echese wotaye chisakodom no dana da nyina na wo boa ye se na be ya nneoma be koye ye da mo nyina mo ase da mo ase ye so e betena se a ye kenkan ye medin ene akosia ejewa kwade boatin mene
Ohinire mame ekua yeboa esiama bronya na administrator mame kwantin kwantin ani kwansima achoni dino eno ano no mame akosia gonso yeda no ase na adepanso ya ye nuaba wono soso ebo ye chidom ya sore akra mu nyina